May I please Lordship. My lord, for listing, for orders, my lord, it is listed on 1925, this code.
Okay,
And that-
give it to the court master.
My lord.
Give it to the court master.
Please, your lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 46, my lord. Item 46.
Yes.
My lord, required to get some more instructions. Let it be after 4 weeks, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Chair Abedin, learned counsel for the petitioners, has sought for listing of this case after 4 weeks in order to complete his instructions. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned
Yes.
counsel for the private respondent is there.
Uh,
You are informed.
No, that is not yet instruction regarding that only. Notice is not served on. We are looking for her, my lord.
No, respondent number 7. Their names are appearing.
Yes. Raise an ego. Yes, yes. I'm deeply sorry, my lord. I didn't realize that. I was only one respondent who did not get the whereabouts. For
But-
that only instruction sorted.
Counsels are appearing.
I'll inform my lord.
Okay. Considering it, I just submitted, considering it taken from the learned counsel for the other sides to make the prayer. Release the case after 4 weeks, only date to fixed by the office.
Deeply
Yeah,
obliged.
please, Lord. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship. And for the respondent, man. Lord, may I pray, my Lord, it may be adjourned for 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. Who is for the petitioner? Mr. P.K. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. S. Setia, learned standing counsel, income tax. You need time to file affidavit.
Affidavit, Lordship.
Has sought for and is granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent income tax authorities. Department of Treasury. Release the case after 2 weeks.
I'm obliged. My Lord, I have a similar prayer for item number 41, my Lord. There also, my Lord, we have, we already got the consent from the other side, Lord.
Okay, you have taken consent.
Lordship. Item number
Okay.
41,
Mr. S. Setia. 41,
Lordship.
learned counsel, standing counsel. Income tax.
And this is GST, Lordship.
Okay, CGST. Has paid for and is granted. How much time? 3
3 weeks, Lordship.
weeks time. File counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent CGST authorities. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer. This is the case accordingly about 3 weeks on a date to fixed by the office.
Deeply.
May I please, my lord, I beg to mention for a listing of a writ petition. In this case, my lord, Panchayat board form without giving notice to the petitioner, my lord. My lord, matters relates to Panchayat board form,
It relates to?
Panchayat board form without giving notice to the petitioner, my lord.
Motion.
No, my lord, admission, my lord.
When it is fixed?
My lord,
What is
kindly,
the last date?
last date, my lord, 4/8/2025, my lord.
Okay. First week of December.
Most obliged.
Lordship, in item 48, we have got the relief. Want to withdraw, Lordship?
48.
Yes, Lordship.
Miss
Tin Lung.
Tin Lung, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that since the relief sought for has been granted, the petitioner does not want to pursue the contempt petition.
Lordship, I am appealing for
Mr.
respondent number
H.
4.
Oliha, learned counsel for the respondent number 4.
I am for one, Lordship.
Ms. G. Hajorika, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Are present. In view of the above submission made by Ms. Tin Lung, learned counsel for the petitioner, the contempt petition stands closed.
May I please, Lordship, item number 2, may I pray that matter be taken on Monday, Lordship. I've taken consent from the counsel of the petitioner.
Okay.
I've been engaged in this.
On
case.
the request of Mr. S. C. Kyle, learned standing counsel CGST, release the case on Monday, huh? It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer.
1711. Much okay.
May I please, your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36, Lordship.
Mr. Kyle, can it be on Wednesday? Mr. Kyle, can it be on Wednesday? Okay, Wednesday.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36. This matter may be adjourned for the date, Lordship.
36?
36.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, your Lordship.
Okay, on the
That this matter
prayer of
can be
Mr.
fixed on
D. Sharma.
3rd of December. Can be fixed on 3rd of December, Lordship.
No, not fixed date.
Senior Advocate PJ Saikya sir will represent.
Learned counsel for the petition raised the case in the first, on a date in the
Lordship, I
first
am
week of
appearing for
December two
response.
thousand twenty-five. It is counsel likhi dibo.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondents.
Mr. R. Kakoti,
P. Kakoti.
P. Kakoti, learned counsel for the, which respondent? Private,
State response.
for the state respondents. Is present. Likhi dibo.
May it please your lordship. So, lordship, I beg to mention item 25. Here, respondent number 2 has filed a affidavit. So I need 4 weeks time to file my rejoinder affidavit in reply.
Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, has sought for and is granted 4 weeks' time to file a reply affidavit to the affidavit of opposition filed by the state respondents. This is the case accordingly after 4 weeks from the date to be fixed by the office.
Interim to
The
continue.
interim prayer, if any, shall continue till.
May I
the
please,
next-
Your Lordship?
Obliged.
I beg to mention item number 17, with the consent of the other side, Lordship. I'm on behalf of the respondent BTC, Lordship.
Hmm.
We seek 3 weeks' time, Lordship, in this case.
2017 matter.
Lordship. Certain instructions are, we need some necessary instructions.
Okay,
for
Mr. M. Das,
MK Das, Lordship.
M.K. Das, learned counsel appearing for the respondent BTC authorities has sought for. Listing of the case after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
Trees in order to complete his instructions. First of it is submitted and consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the petition and other respondents to make the prayer.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May it,
This is the case after 3 weeks.
may it please your lordship, in item number 2, may the matter be taken up on 17th, your lordship. If the matter is not taken up on 17th, then this writ petition will become infructuous.
Okay, 17,
No problem.
17th of March.
17 করে দিব দুটো।
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 18, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, pleadings are completed. Lordship, may kindly fix the matter for hearing, your lordship.
Okay, Mr. P.K. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner,
For the response.
and Mr. Kayal,
Yes,
learned standing counsel, income tax
Lordship.
department, submitted that the exchange of pleading between the parties is complete and the case can be taken up for hearing. First of, let the petition be admitted for hearing, raise it to raise the case for hearing in due course.
So interim order that may be
The
continued.
interim order passed idea shall continue till
Obliged, Your
next date of this.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42. Lordship, with the consent of the others, would like to seek some time, lordship.
42.
42, lordship. Lordship, as respondent number 6 and 7, we are trying to get the proper address of the private respondent, 6, 7 and
Okay,
8.
on the request of Mr.
D dash, lordship, I'm
D dash.
appearing- Yes,
Learned counsel for the petitioners. This is the case after 2 weeks.
lordship, and one more praise, lord, there is
Consent লিখে দিব।
on 31/3/2021, lordship, the honorable court was pleased to pass an order of no coercive measures will be taken against the petitioner in impugn order dated 4.
Interim order, if any, shall continue till the next date of this.
May it
Much
please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 23. I'm praying for an adjournment to the lordship. Let the matter come up after 2 weeks.
Okay, you have circulated mention memo.
Yes, lordship, yesterday.
Miss
Edas,
Adas, learned counsel for the petitioner. How much time?
2 weeks, lordship.
Okay, I have sought listing of the case. After 2 weeks, the prayer is made with the consent of the learned counsel for the other respondents. And the mention memo to that effect has also been circulated yesterday. Post of the prayer is allowed, list the case accordingly after 2 weeks.
Lord, I beg to mention for a motion matter, my lord, it was filed on 31st October, my lord, but not been listed.
Subject matter,
Subject matter of revenue, my lord.
Huh?
Revenue.
Huh?
Revenue.
revenue, what revenue?
It's
Non-deposit of land revenue.
My lord.
Huh?
My lord. This is.
Go to the Mojara,
Then not, my lord, my compensation is not given, my lord.
huh?
My compensation, the compensation is not given.
Okay, the Wednesday.
My lordship.
Subject to removal of defects, if any.
My lordship, lordship, in item 51 of supplementary list, petitioners have filed a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by Forest. So lordship, may kindly allow for bring it on record, lordship. Apply, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing matter for motion, Your Lordship. It was listed on 1/11, Your Lordship. On the day, matter was passed over for the day, Your Lordship. So,
When is it?
oblige.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention one contempt petition, lordship. In
Please
August
see.
column, yes.
Give it to the court master.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention one WBC for listing.
Louder, louder. A bit louder.
For listing,
For listing.
What?
WBC one,
Subject matter.
land acquisition.
Land
Land
acquisition. DD. Give it to the court master.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. In this case, we need some instruction, kindly matter may adjourn for today. We have
Okay,
taken
you are for appearing for whom?
on behalf of RS Mishra, petitioner,
Okay. On the prayer of Mr.
RK Mohanto.
R.K. Mohanto, Learned Counsel, appearing for Mr. R.S. Mishra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Leaves the case after 2 weeks. It is, you have informed the other side. Mr. H. K. Jain,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the respondent. GST authorities is present.
Obliged. May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, my lord. My senior is now out of station for his medical treatment, my lord. So matter may be fixed after 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
Item number 4.
Okay, wait for your time. We'll examine. Thereafter, we'll adjourn.
May it please Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention one writ petition for listing.
Subject matter?
Lordship, land acquisition.
Okay, give it to the court master.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 24, your lordship. We have taken the consent of the other party, your lordship. As the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Anish Barwe is not well today, your lordship. Kindly,
Okay, Miss
as they.
S. Dev, Learned Counsel, representing the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is Learned Counsel for the petitioner, NH Parvuya, is in this post and has thus sought for listing of the case after 2 weeks. You have informed the other sides?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. Prayer is allowed, release the case after 2 weeks.
Your lordship, we are on interim.
Interim order, silable, if any, shall continue.
Daily list for motion. Item number 1.
May I please know? My lord, this is a contempt petition, my lord, arising out of a order. My lord, in the pending writ petition, my lord, there was a direction to maintain status quo. My lord, the alleged contemners, my lord, they are the petitioners in the writ petition, wherein, my lord, they are claiming right, title and interest over a railway land.
You are a respondent there.
Yes. Yes.
How
my
can
lord.
you maintain a contempt petition?
No, there was a direction to maintain status quo.
Right?
The land is a railway land, my lord. It was pursuant to a very series of litigation, my lord, after passing of the division bench order. My lord, the land has been, my lord, declared as a railway land. And the constructions are going on, my lord, as on date, and there is a.
So,
likely-
my first question is, you are alleging violation of this page 18 order.
Yes, the order is at page, my lord, 19. As on date of the filing of that writ petition, my lord, the land has been declared to be a railway land. The third party rights also, my lord, the builder is going on constructing, my lord. If a third party right is created, my lord, the earlier orders passed by this court, my lord, that would become infractious, my lord. Page 19. Order.
What is content? Status quo or order has been passed.
Yes. Status quo order, my lord, both parties has to maintain restraint, my lord. Now, what has happened, my lord, after the passing of the status quo order, my lord, the party, the builder is continuing the construction work and there is a possibility.
Contempt of court. Tell me how, it was not your petition. It was not your
Yes,
petition.
my lord will peruse the order.
My understanding is very limited.
My lord. No.
Please, expose it on the
It
law.
was not my petition, my lord.
Expose it on the law.
But my lord, as on the date of the filing of that petition, my lord, the
Because
land.
you were heard,
Yes,
you were heard.
my lord will peruse the order dated page 19 order, my lord.
No, what is the main source?
My lord, the circumstances in which the status quo order was passed, that is indicated in the order, my lord. Page 19.
The question is maintainability. You address on maintainability.
Yes, on the maintainability, my lord, both the parties were directed to maintain status quo.
Now, that was a writ petition by the writ petitioner.
Yes,
You were the respondents.
yes,
Right.
and the
Now,
order was.
whether respondents can file a contempt petition, that is what I am asking. My understanding is very limited.
My lord, contempt can be filed, my lord, if there is a violation of the order, because the direction of status quo was given both the parties, my lord. Page 20, my lord will see. After considering the facts and circumstances, it is directed that status quo over the land in question as on today be maintained till the returnable date. This direction was to both the parties. And as on date of passing of that order, my lord, the land is declared to be the railway land. That is also reflected in the order.
No, High Court rules. Show me from High Court rules. Show me from the High Court rules. Let us have the satisfaction.
My lord. My lord, rule 9. Lord, who can file contempt, my lord? Rule 9 defines, my lord, clause 9B, my lord.
Heard Mr. H. Gupta,
Hmm.
learned counsel for the petitioner. This contempt petition. Under section 11 and section 12 of the contempt of court, read with section 2, article 215 of the Constitution of India, along with rule 9 of the content of Court Guwahati High Court Rules 1977 is preferred, alleging non-compliance of a direction made in an interim order dated 17/10/2025. Non-compliance of directions on the part of the respondents herein made in an order, in an interim order dated 17/10/2025, passed in a writ petition WPC number 5978/2025. Stop. Where have you ever that this is brought to the notice of the respondents?
My lord.
That you are violating the court's direction? It is the comma not, however, averred in the contempt petition that the petitioners have brought the alleged violation of the interim order dated so and so to the notice of the respondents. Full stop. When a issue of maintainability, on the issue of maintainability of the contempt petition, comma, the counsel for the petitioner has referred to Rule 9, small b of the Guwahati, contempt of courts within bracket Guwahati, within bracket Guwahati High Court Rules 1977. So we issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by speed post within 2 working days from today.
Item number 3. Further constructions, my lord, may not be.
In a contempt jurisdiction, show me again the law.
My lord.
Show me against the law. Again the law that stay order can be passed.
My lord. My lord, in that case, my lord, the stay, my lord, the, it may be tagged with WPC 59.
No, we are not taking.
78, my lord.
We are not taking it. On the returnable date, we will take.
My lord. Obliged.
I have lordship. It's a matter parting the land acquisition lordship. So herein lordship, the petitioner land was secured in the year 2001 lordship. Since last 2001, not a single penny has been disbursed by the concerned department lordship.
Your lands are acquired in a land acquisition proceeding initiated in 2001.
Yes, lordship.
That is your case.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
And lordship, the petitioner name has been reflecting in the gazette notification TL number 106, 107 and 108. And that part has reflected.
Where?
Page 36 lordship.
Is 36. Okay, 1 minute. The petitioners, comma 3 number, comma have instituted the present writ petition, stating that there is a common cause of action. Full stop. The family of the petitioners have claimed that the families of the petitioners were owners of a parcel of land measuring 1 bigha, 4 katha, 9 lasas, comma, covered by tag number 277 within bracket old and 278 within bracket new and patta number 170 old and 174 new, comma, situate at village Bagachala, Moza Dipila, Mongoloi district, Durham, subject plot. Full stop. The petitioners have claimed that the subject plot was brought under the purview of a land acquisition proceeding comma, LA case number 06/2001-2002 for acquiring land for a scheme, comma, page 57 of the quote, construction of marginal embankment along B/small b of Khagra River from Patgiri Chuba
Yes.
to Duni Patharighat PWD, within bracket extension of so and so. Full stop. The land acquisition proceeding, which was initiated under the provisions of the Assam Land Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964, brought out a notification. What is the date?
Gazette notification, Lordship, 29/5/2014, Lordship.
29/5/2014, wherein the names of the predecessors of the petitioners and the land details which have been acquired for the project are mentioned. Full stop. Despite acquisition of the subject plot, wide LA case number so and so, the petitioners have not yet been disbursed the compensation. That is your case?
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
Okay.
Lordship. First thing, Lordship, they have approached the court lately. Their acquisition take place in the year 2001, and now they have approached it.
But you are still answerable.
Lordship,
But you are still answerable.
yes, Lordship, that is true, Lordship. Moreover, Lordship, in the petition, Lordship, the petitioners have annexed their village name. If Lordship peruse page 7, they are all the residents of village Buragaon, as they have stated. But if Lordship peruse page 43,
It
Lordship,
is a present address, Lordship. So as per the.
If they have lands, wherever they are residing, that is immaterial.
Like the technical.
One cannot have two plots of land.
yes, they have taken.
Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Tara kote dibo. Heard Mr. R.C. Das, Land Council for the petitioners. G. Hazarika, Standing Council, Revenue Department, for the respondent number 1 and 2. M. Bormon, Landed Junior Government Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 3. And Mr. R.M. Das,
4, 5, and 6.
Landed Standing Council, Water Resources Department, for the respondent number
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6, Finance. And Mr. A. Choliha, Learned Standing Council, Finance Department, for the respondent number 7. You should notice so and so, 4 weeks, as so and so appeared. Issuance of formal notice to the said respondents dispensed with extra copies within 2 working days.
So Lordship, I will do respect, Lordship. So total amount is 2,57,000.
That is your claim. Let them come
Yes,
first.
Lordship. Yes.
That your lands
Yes.
have been acquired. Then we'll ask what is
Yes,
the
Lord.
amount assessed.
Yes, Lordship. Mass of Lordship.
That
So,
amount,
Lordship.
as per my instruction, that amount has already been sanctioned, Lordship.
If satisfied, then they have to go to the civil court.
Yes, Lordship.
If they are aggrieved by inadequate compensation.
Yes.
So you assert and you come back with a statement
Lordship.
that against the land acquisition, you have assessed the compensation amount, passed the award,
Yes,
disbursed the amount,
yes.
then we'll close the writ petition,
Lordship, Lordship,
giving liberty them to go to the appropriate authority.
Lordship.
And a similar serious person already received this amount, Lordship, in the year.
Maybe.
Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, we do respect, Lordship. Another writ petition, item number 13, Lordship, same writ petition, Lordship.
30,
13, 1-3, Lordship, same writ petition.
motion.
Yes, Lordship, and LA case
So?
also same, Lordship. If possible, Lordship. Herein, Lordship,
R.C. Das, petitioners. G. Hazarika, Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, 1 and 2. M. Bormon, Junior Government Advocate Assam, 3. R.M. Das, Standing Counsel, Water Resources Department, 4, 5, and 6. Mr. H. Olia, Standing Counsel, Finance Department, for the respondent number 7. The petitioners, 2 petitioners. লিখিব এরা 2 2 বিঘা 4 কাঠা 17 লেচা 1 বিঘা 2 কাঠা 19 লেচা 2 বিঘা 2 কাঠা 3 লেচা নালাগে 6 বিঘা
4 কাঠা,
4 কাঠা 19 লেচা in total covered by tag number আর পাট্টা নাম্বার লিখি দিলে হবে সেম বাগাশালা মৌজা দিপিলা মঙ্গলদৈ and your predecessor's names were incorporated in the notification.
Yes, Lordship. The
Okay,
petition-
which,
Other name is Bipin Kos, is the petition number 1, and the second is Rameshwar Sir.
so your predecessor's names were incorporated.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Same then.
Must have it.
Item number 4,
Yes, why you were,
Lordship, my son is now out of station, my lord, for
Mhm.
medical treatment. I have a appointment slip of the medical college, my lord.
huh?
Appointment slip of the medical college, my lord. So senior is now out of station. my lord.
Khyber, these are the sons and leaders of Khyber Ali. Yes. So we come back with instruction, we'll issue notice. We'll issue notice of this. Heard, Mr.
R.I. Bhuya.
R.
I Bhuya.
I, Bhuya, and council for the petitioner. Petitioners. Silo, huh? Petitioners would do. G. Hazarika, Revenue. 1. M. Bormon. Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Full stop. Seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to issue a patta in favor of the petitioners for the parcel of land covered by Doc number 205. At village Bamunpara, part 4. Moja Bilahipara. Bilahipara Revenue Circle. The petitioner has preferred this petition. Full stop. The basis of the petition's claim is that after abolition of the Jamindari, and in view of the provisions of the Assam State Acquisition of Jamindaries Act 1951, the Gwalpara Tenancy Act 1929, and Assam Landholding within bracket adoption of relationship under the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886 in the acquired permanently settled estates bracket close Act 1974 from under petitioners, predecessors who were under the tenancy of the Zamindars have acquired the right to claim patta in respect of the aforestated parcel of land. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As so and so has appeared, accepted notice, issuance of formal notice, dispensed with extra copies, 2 working days.
Item 5.
Please, your lordships. My lord, the petitioner, he's even a registered cattle trader, my lord. He transposed the cattle. His 32 numbers of cows were seized by the Morigao police of Morigao police station, my lord. Subsequently, page 27, my lord, that where, my lord, on interim Zimma, my lord, he was granted. Now, my lord, when he went to take the custody of the cows, my lord, the IO and the Gusala authority is demanding, my lord, the maintaining cost. Where is your claim is that Gusala authority is demanding? That is your statement. And IO is also not, my lord, releasing. IO is also claiming. That is your case. Yes, my lord. IO is not releasing without paying that. Take instruction, Mr. Ms. Bormon. And rule lordship kindly see the rules, what the rule says. Let us have the instruction. Madam. You are saying that until conviction is accorded, you are not entitled required to pay. As per the rule, my lord. If I am convicted, that cost will be recovered from me, my lord. Prevention of cruelty to animals, Act Consent. Go back. Mr. Gogoi,
My lord.
sub-rule 2 of Rule 12,
12, my lord.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are saying about
Minimum rate for transportation and maintenance.
of cost of animal.
Yes, that already fixed by the, my lord, government. ma'am.
Let us
This
see
is-
there.
This is the notification. ma'am.
So you approach the magistrate.
And sub-rule 3 says, in the event of conviction of an
Mr. Gogoi, you are an accused, rightly or wrongly.
Rightly or wrong.
That is at the end of the trial.
Right.
God knows when the trial will end. But sub-rule 2 of Rule 12
My lord,
says cost of care and keeping of animal pending litigation.
pending litigation.
Right.
My lord.
So you cannot escape that provision. Right. And it is the magistrate power to fix the rate.
My lord, rule says minimum rate for transportation and maintenance of cost, maintenance cost of
Which,
animal.
which,
as
which
specified by-
one, sir? Which one?
My lord, this is rule 2000.
Rule 3 of the central rules.
Central rules.
When an animal has been seized under the provisions of the Act or the rules made thereunder, the authority seizing the animal shall ensure health inspection, identification, marking such animal through the jurisdictional veterinary officer deployed at veterinary hospital of the area, and marking may be done by ear tagging or by chipping or so and so. The magistrate may direct the animal to be housed at an infirmary, pinjra, pole, so and so, so and so. Now 4. The state board shall, within 3 months from the date of commencement of these rules and thereafter, every year, specify the cost of transport, maintenance, treatment per day for every species of animal that is commonly seized in the state. The magistrate shall use the rates, the magistrate
Magistrate.
use the rate specified by the state board as the minimum specified rate for transport, maintenance, treatment of the seized animals under subsection 4 of 35 of the Act. Right. In case no rate is available, magistrate can fix the rate on his own. Now let us see
Assam rule, lordship kindly.
Now let us see the Central Act first.
Central Act, my lord.
35. Section 35. Because sub-rule 2 says about this. 35. Petition is to be dismissed.
My lord. My lord.
Go before the magistrate, get the rate fixed,
But Assam
and
rule
pay
says,
the
my lord,
amount.
Lordship kindly come to the rule
Dismissing
12 of the
dismissing it.
Assam cattle preservation rules.
No, central rule is quite clear, sub-rule 2 of Rule 12.
But Assam rule is there, my lord.
Assam rule is subservient to the Central Act. Don't try to mislead the court.
Then, my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw the case. With liberty to approach the magistrate.
Approach the magistrate, get the rate fixed. Magistrate will fix the rate as per the animal board rate. Then you get the cattle released because Zimma has been given to you. Don't come to this
But,
court.
my lord, the animals were not housed by the magistrate, it was housed by the police.
What
against
is
the-
there? What is there in the Act?
Act says that animals.
It is the magistrate
Magistrate
who will fix the rate, not the police.
My lord. I may be allowed.
Don't try to rely on a provision which is not applicable.
But, my lord, I realize
Just
the
because
Assam rule only.
out of inquisitiveness, I looked into it. Then I found everything is provided for. Rate is fixed. Magistrate will fix the rate.
My lord.
And you have to pay as per 35(4).
Four.
What does it say? shall be payable by the owner of the animal.
But Assam rule. that
Don't
my
go to the conviction, that is a 5 years.
My lord, then
down
Assam
the
rule
line.
is not, my lord. I may be allowed to.
Ms. Bormon, please refer to these provisions when the case is taken up. Right. Heard Mr. J.C. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petition, and Ms. M. Bormon, learned junior government advocate, Assam for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4. First off, Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the as a remedy is available to the petitioner as per the provisions of rule, rule 12, within bracket 2 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021, read with Section 35(4) of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 and Rule 4(1) of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, within bracket care and maintenance of case property animals, bracket close, rules 2017. The petitioner could approach the jurisdictional magistrate for release of the seized cattle. And in such view of the matter, the petitioner wants to withdraw this petition with liberty to approach such authority. Also, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Gogoi, the petition is dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty as paid for. I leave it.
Item 6.
May I please, Your Lordship, on last occasion, Your Lordship was directed to furnish the status of the petition pending before the Ombudsman of Reserve Bank of India, Lordship.
Status, complaint
Status.
registered with RBI, sent to regulated authority. Complaint
Below
registered
to
with RBI.
complainant, Lordship,
Complaint closed. Complaint closed.
these two close complaint, Lordship, he has wrongly filed. Thereafter, immediately, he another 2 application filed, which is first and second, same day, and it.
Huh?
Complaint number 1 and 2, Lordship, is the complaint which are pending before the Ombudsman till today, Lordship.
Sent to regulator. What is 3 and 4?
3 and 4, Lordship, this is technical and he has filed wrongly. So immediate, he has filed in a wrong forum, Lordship. Immediately they have.
So if it is before the ombudsman, why should we entertain?
Lordship, during the pendency of the Ombudsman, what happened?
That letter, Mr. Hawk,
The petition.
that letter, impugn letter,
Lordship.
wherein it says that there is an amount pending.
Lordship.
There is an amount pending, is it not?
Lordship.
That page 36.
Page 36. Lordship. No, Lordship, page
Is it not?
37. Page 37, the bank credit card authority will be directing the petitioner to clear this amount. And thereafter, they have also several messages sent to the petitioner's mobile, Lordship, for clear the same. Accordingly, when the petitioner
After
approached
that, you have filed a complaint or before that?
before that petitioner approached the Ombudsman petition, Lordship. Thereafter, they have issued the
See, Mr. Hawk,
mail, Lordship. Now
this
even Lordship,
authority, who is this authority?
credit card authority, Lordship, State Bank of India and ICICI Bank, Lordship.
Which is the other states, SBI cards and Payment Services Limited.
Limited, Lordship.
Is it not?
Yes,
Huh?
Lordship. Now even Lordship, they have 35% interest also imposed to the petitioner.
No,
Lordship.
Mr. Hawk,
Lordship.
this is not a public authority,
These two entity private.
private. They may be right. You get a restraint order from civil court, that is a different issue.
Our
But
prayer is
writ
worship,
petition is not maintainable against this 36.
Ombudsman
And so
petition
far,
is-
ombudsman is taking care of it. It is pending as on date.
as on date pending, Lord.
And I'll not make further comment. From the contents of page 36 and 37, how this transaction had occurred and completed, it was clearly mentioned.
Mentioned it.
Right.
Bank
I
authority-
don't need to make any further comment.
But in this regard,
If you read,
he has shared the OTP something, Lordship, this is wrongly, they have mentioned in the fraud system, Lordship. we-
double
in the
layer protection and
ombuds-
60, private entity demanding some rupees.
Lordship, one thing, Lordship,
Mr. Hawk, private entity demanding some amount
Lordship,
or requesting some amount, right? Despite pendency of the complaint before the ombudsman.
ombudsman.
So this is an action which can be taken in civil court. Not, it is not a public authority. It is purely a private one.
Ombudsman petition, Lordship, they should have,
It is a civil action which is maintainable before a civil court. You get a restraining order.
regarding the ombudsman,
No
order,
issue.
Lordship, our honorable court also earlier entertained, Lordship,
Maybe I'll distinguish that.
but this is
If you want dismissal,
some separate.
if you want dismissal, I'm dismissing
My
it.
prayer is, Lordship, direction may be given. to
No
the
direction can be called.
Ombudsman authority, Lordship, to dispose of the petitioner's complaint within a reasonable time, Lordship. This is my only one.
No,
prayer.
he is not before us.
Notice may be issued there. This is the
No, what are you praying?
prayer,
firstly?
Lordship, and otherwise petitioner civil also, Lordship, they are decreasing the civil and not issuing the loan which he also approves, Lordship, due to this transaction, Lordship. Is suffering.
That is not the case.
Lordship.
That is not the relief you have sought for. See, prayer 1, 2, and 3.
Prayer one is regarding the mail, Lordship, of the private respondent.
Private respondent.
Just-
Second, nothing regarding ombudsman. Otherwise, we could have issued a notice to the ombudsman. Thereafter, we could have said that, yes, you please dispose of
The
the complaint at the earliest. Right. But this is not your case. You are seeking a mandamus against a private entity. And out of a transaction which is purely personal, you are not invoking any public law.
petitioner
Your
also, this is a cyber fraud, Lordship, petitioner also approves the cyber authority. We have annexed the FIRs also, Lordship.
see, a writ petition is to be considered according to the prayer you have made. We're not going beyond that. You restructure it that ombudsman is delaying the disposal of the complaint. We could have issued notice. Not this way. This is for you go to the civil court. It is not for me to advise and
Civil case.
seek injunction against this order, the deposit. That is, then they will come running. Heard, Mr. ABT Hawk. I'm dismissing it.
I may be allowed to withdraw at this stage, Lordship, to approach the ombudsman again, Lord.
Praise, it is up to you. Heard Mr. ABT Hawk, Learned Counsel, for a petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner wants to withdraw the writ petition in order to avail appropriate remedy. Full stop. In view of the above submission of Mr. Hawk, the writ petition is is dismissed and withdrawn, come out with the liberty to avail appropriate remedy. All remedies are open.
Item 7.
May I please your lordship, Mr. R.S. Mishra is on legs. Kindly pass over for time being.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Lordship, may issue notice at this case, Lordship.
What is the impugn order? Imposition of something? Where is the impugn order?
In phase 46.
Hmm?
Phase 46, Lordship.
Page 46.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, let Mr. come.
Yes. Nice.
Item number 8.
So far as Mr. Counsel, page 37.
Lordship.
Compensation under 2013 Act are limited to a limited category of persons.
Yes, sir.
One is landowner or who has created a right in the land,
Yes, sir.
person interested. It does not look like that you are a landowner
No.
or a person interested who has got a right under the law.
Lordship,
Yes, that one, the incident is unfortunate, definitely. So regarding page 40, that is a different issue, right? Regarding death and compensation, but so far, Lordship, we'll issue notice at this stage. We'll issue notice at this stage. But Mr. H. Ali,
Z Khalid.
huh?
Z Khalid.
Zaid Khalid, learned counsel for the petition. And Mr. Ian Goswami, learned additional advocate general Assam, assisted by Mr.
I call it. Just
I. Kolita, learned counsel for the respondent number 1.
I'm for 1, 4
Three.
and 5, madam.
1,
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
3, they have standing counsel, madam. Health also standing counsel.
P.R. Mohanto, Revenue Department,
3 and 6 to madam.
2. And Miss S. Sharma, Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respondent number 3 and 6. Is there any cause of death recorded somewhere?
Not recorded, madam. In this petition, not recorded. I have checked.
No, otherwise in hospital, hospital death certificate, the cause is recorded. Because this death certificate does not record the region of death,
Yes, madam.
right? But hospital, if he has died in the hospital, they issue a death
He
certificate.
died at the makeshift camps, your lordship, due to the unhygienic and.
Because otherwise, there could have been a region in the hospital death certificate.
Yes, madam.
Now it is very difficult. The
Cause of death, madam.
cause of death is difficult.
That too after madam, 50 days of eviction, madam. Eviction was of
Right.
16/6,
No,
died on
lordship,
110.
He was evicted without following the due process. No notice was served. The person who got, who received the notice, they were before the court, your lordship.
Compensation for the death of the son of the petitioner. On 1/8/2025. At a temporary makeshift shelter after eviction of the family of the petitioner from an area near in Hasilabil area on 16/6/2025. The petitioner has preferred this writ petition. First off, the petitioner has averred that the eviction exercise was carried out on 16/6/2025 without following the procedure of law, and the evicted persons had to take shelter in a temporary makeshift camp which had which did not even have basic facilities. First off, attributing the death of the petitioner's son to such inhuman condition, the petitioner has sought compensation from the state. First off, issue notice returnable 4 weeks as Mr. Kolita or as Mr. So-and-so and so-and-so and so-and-so has appeared accepted notice on behalf of the respondents, issuance of formal notice, because the respondents is dispensed with extra. However, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish extra copies of the petition in requisite number to the learned counsel for the respondents within 2 working days from today. This is the case of the police.
Item number 9. May I please, your lordship? My lordship, we are elected.
Ward member,
Yes, my.
how many? 4.
4, my lordship.
Anchalik Panchayat.
Yes, my.
Fine, let's say link 7/7/2025. Convene and adjourn meeting. What is rule 46?
My lordship, a written notice should be given, my.
Okay, for adjourn meeting also.
Yes, my. It was adjourned and after 1 hour, some authorized officer has been changed. No.
What is disqualification?
Disqualification,
You
my
are
lordship, we have.
pressing what?
My lord,
What are the prayers here?
two of the members, my lordship. But competent authorities has not been notified, my lordship. There is a jurisdictional backup, my lordship. So we have filed
You should, okay.
we have filed the
Okay,
representation.
election of president and vice president has been challenged.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, that is one. And to convene a new press meeting.
Yes, my lord.
And competent authority.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We issue notice at this stage fixing a date.
Yes, my lord.
Returnable.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Third, Mr. S.B. Law Score. Learned counsel for the petitioners. Panchayat and Rural, Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 1, 2, 5 and 6. And Mr. J. Hendrik, Learned Junior Government Brigade Assam for the respondent number 3 and 4. Full stop. The petitioners, foreign number, have stated that they are ward members elected to Buri Bail Gaon Panchayat in the Panchayat general election held in May 2025. Full stop. When the first meeting of the Panchayat was called, Commander state the same stood adjourned. And the adjourned meeting was convened by the authorized officer, respondent number 7, within bracket, without issuance of any written notice, a mandate under Rule 46 of the Assam Panchayat, within bracket Constitution Rules, 1995, read with the Assam Panchayat, within bracket Amendment Act 2023. Full stop. Though representations were submitted by the petitioner before the respondent number 3 on 7/7/2025 and 8/7/2025 regarding the illegalities occurred in convening the adjourned meeting, no heed has been paid on those representations till date. Full stop. The petitioners have also raised a question of disqualification of some of the elected members. Full stop. The petitioners have contended that as no competent authority has been duly notified under section 111, within bracket 1, within bracket small h, of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994 as amended, a jurisdictional vacuum is existing. Issue notice returnable on so and so date.
12.
As Mr. Dr. and Hendrik, 1 to 6, extra copies, 2 working days. The petitioners shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 to 13 by speed post within 2 working days completed.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the present petitioners is aggrieved by an order of the appellate authorities orders, Lordship, and that order has been passed without giving an opportunity to hear the present petitioner, which is absolutely.
Takimari
Yes.
Market.
Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, present petitioner is a limited prayer, Lordship. Let the matter may be remanded back to the appellate authority, and that appellate authority may.
No, without hearing, we cannot do so.
Lordship,
Yes, Mr.
in this impugned order.
Doctor, where is the order?
Lordship, page 68, it is reflected, Lordship, that this nowhere mentions that the petitioner also heard. So.
Yes, Mr.
No, Lordship, that is incorrect, Lordship. 87 deals, Lordship, regarding the disposals and acquisition. Here it is not that part, Lordship. Here it is a part, Lordship, that a private land has been taking him as a inter an agreement or holding that land. So as far 87, it's not come with that definitions, Lordship.
We'll examine then. Heard Mr. IHawk, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner, and Mr. S. Doctor, Learned Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the response number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 5. And Mr. J. Hendik,
3 and 6, Lord.
Junior Government Advocate Assam for the response number 3 and 6. First of the petitioner has a sale and order dated 27/6/2025,
25.
passed by the appellate authority
Yes, Lord.
in an appeal preferred by the petitioner. Post of the primary ground of challenge to the appellate order is that before disposal of the appeal, no opportunity of hearing was afforded to the petitioner. Post of. Mr. Doctor, Lion Standing Counsel.
6.
Panchayat and Rural Development Department has submitted that there is no necessity to afford any hearing for while disposing of an appeal by the appellate authority. Issue notice returnable on so and so
12.
as doctor for 1, 2, 5, and 3 and 6.
3 and 6.
Huh? Issuance of formal notice to the same with extra copies within 2 working days from today. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the response number 4 by speed post with AD within 2 working days from today.
12 December.
Highly applause, Lord.
Item 11.
Wait, please.
Yes.
Lord, one of the prayers is to declare clause 8 of the Assam Industries Reimbursement Scheme as ultra-virus, Article 246A2, as well as the GST. The Lordship's permission, I'll just give a brief background of the dispute, then I'll come to the rule.
It is a statutory scheme or?
It's a statutory scheme. Lord, they don't mention any act. The old sales tax deferral scheme, Lord, for industrialization of various states, what they would say is that if you invest, say, 100 crores or 50
No,
crores.
this is just for the reason that if it is a statutory scheme,
Yes,
then this is to be before a division bench as per the High Court rules.
I see.
And if it is not a statutory
It's
scheme,
not a statute, it's a executive notification. Please,
then
please
it can be
entertain.
by a
Yes,
single bench.
Yes.
This is the High Court rules.
Yes, same thing in other high courts. If it's the act.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary?
Lordship, initially it was a statutory under the Industrial Policy 2014 with the promulgation of GST. It was submerged that policy, some of the decision as per the GST Council.
No, prior to the to GST Act, it was a statutory scheme.
Yes,
perhaps.
Yes,
Sales tax refund scheme.
2009.
Tax exemption.
But subsequently, where is that scheme?
Yes, what is that page? The 98. The 2018 scheme.
Okay. There is no mention of any, it is framed in exercise of.
No, no, no.
of-
Please see the preamble.
Ah,
Whereas in persons of industrial investment policy of Assam, not in exercise of powers conferred by so and so.
okay, okay, okay.
Can I just explain the background here? Lord, earlier the scheme was that if you invest in the state of Assam, then you will get,
Please take your seat.
then you will get sales tax refund to the extent of 150% of your capital investment. So suppose I invest 50 crores for a period of 15 years, or till I recoup 150% investment, I'll get the sales tax refund. That was the old scheme, as your lordship rightly noticed. 2017, GST came. So sales tax, excise got all merged, subsumed into GST. Now, my lord, what the old scheme was, and I know this is in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, all scheme was this. In 2006, VAT came. Lordship recollects, before 2006, there was no concept of VAT. It was called Sales Tax Act. And when you came to VAT, whatever duty you pay on the inputs could be adjusted against the final duty paid on the finished product or the selling of the final product. That was the basics. Now, what all the states said was, suppose in Assam, I get Assam inputs and I sell final product within Assam. So I get Assam VAT adjusted against Assam VAT for final product. So that was the basic scheme. Suppose I sell the goods outside Assam. Then you come to CST Act 1956, Central Sales Tax Act. And my lord will recollect, in the old days, you give a C form, you pay only 2%. So what used to happen was, I will pay 12% on my inputs. I will use the credit, but I only pay 2% on the output. So there was a mismatch. So most courts, at least section 19 of the Tamil Nadu Act, most courts, what they said, most states, what they said was, if it is going outside the state, then you will not get the benefit of VAT. It's only for intrastate, interstate you will not get, because that becomes CST. You can't get state VAT against CST. That was the logic.
But goods for public importance, that is there.
Pardon me?
For goods of public importance.
So that is section 14 of CST.
Section 14.
Yeah, that is, yeah. The lordship declared goods. All
declared goods.
Yes. That is wheat, jute, etc.
For that interstate.
Yes, yes. You can't have more there. There are a lot of restrictions. Now, my lord, what has happened is this. Unfortunately, what they have done is they have copy pasted the old provision into the new thing. Now what they say is, now I'm coming to the new scheme. The new scheme says, if I buy Assam inputs and the goods are sold outside Assam, then IGST I will not allow. They will not allow IGST. My humble submission is, first of all, my input credit is now governed by section 16 of the TGST Act, and any restriction on the credit can be done only by rules prescribed, because they say as prescribed. If a lordship goes to 2 subsection 46 of CGST, prescribed means prescribed by rules. That takes your lordship to section 164. It says rules as recommended by the GST Council. So now my challenge to clause 8 is as follows, because what happened was, from 18 to 25, they kept giving me all the refund. My factory is there in the old scheme. They kept giving me refund. Suddenly one officer gets up and invokes too late when there are no rules. Now kindly see, my submission is this. If it is IGST, lordship knows IGST is a successor to old CST. Interstate goods will come from Assam to, say, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, something. IGST under 246A2, please see article 246A2 of the Constitution. capital A.
Yes.
Now, first I'll read 246A1 for your lordship permission. Notwithstanding anything contained in 246 and 254, Parliament, and subject to clause 2, the legislature of every state have power to make laws with respect to goods and services tax imposed by union and by such state. So, my lord, what Supreme Court has said is power is concurrent. That's why Lordship sees when a Lordship buys any goods, the bill will say 18%, 9% CGST, 9% SGST. So concurrent laws are there. Now, 2 is important. Parliament has exclusive power to make laws with respect to goods and services where the supply of goods and services takes place in the course of interstate trade and commerce. So IGST is for interstate trade and commerce. Now see the impugned paragraph at para 107. But I'm challenging the validity. In fact, why? How was I getting refund for the last 7 years? Because no rules have come. So in the absence of rule, they have no power to block credit. PC rule, para 8. A registered supplier. May I read, Malad? 107?
Yes.
8. Yes. It's a bit convoluted language, but Lordship will just bear with me. A registered supplier, other than a unit availing tax reimbursement under this scheme, who supplies goods in the course of interstate trade and commerce. Please note, my lord, interstate straightaway takes your lordship to 246A2. Under the Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act 2017, shall not be entitled to avail the input tax credit on inward supply of goods for utilizing the same for payment of IGST if the goods supplied by him are manufactured by a unit eligible under the reimbursement and proportionate amount of input tax would lapse. Such registered supplier supplying goods shall maintain so and so, so and so. Now, Lordship will kindly see what it basically means is this. Now, I am the petitioner. I am buying goods from a unit which is for the reimbursement scheme. The unit is registered under the eligible unit under this sales tax refund. I am buying goods from him. Part of my goods are sold in Assam. Part of my goods are sold outside Assam. Now, what the impugned notice does is, he says, to the extent you are selling outside Assam, I am disallowing 100%, like the old days. In my humble submission, there are no rules so far like that. He cannot do it. He has no jurisdiction to invoke it. That's the short point. I can take a lordship through the section 15, 16, and so on. That's the short point. And since I'm challenging my lord, this.
What is the notice?
Yeah, the notice is at page 670. 60, actual notice starts at page 70. Lord, if the lordship wants, I can take a lordship to the individual provisions also.
Or
please come to page 70. Yes. Now, show cause notice for availment of ITC. Lordship has got page 70, Manoj.
yes.
The first bold letter, the show cause for available ITC in spite of being not eligible as per provisions of the Assam Industries Tax Reimbursement Scheme 20. Now, what in the writ petition I've said is, with all due respect, my lord, the state of Assam or the state of any other government cannot disallow my input credit under IGST or CGST because
Who is the other registered supplier who is eligible under reimbursement scheme?
in fact, they issued a notice to him yesterday. That will come next week before your lordship.
No. Who is the supplier?
Yes, my lord.
Who is eligible under this
lordship.
reimbursement scheme?
Your lordship will see the name of the petitioner is Patanjali Foods, my lord. The supplier, again, I got many suppliers, but the supplier whose supply is being disallowed is Patanjali Ayurved, which is also based in Assam, which is eligible. And I've been getting this refund from before 2016, even before GST. Now, lordship will see this GST Act not for a minute. Please see GST Act. Lord, I'll take CGST because same provisions apply for IGST. May I read section 16 now?
Yes.
So, my lord, first ground I've taken is the power to make laws with respect to any IGST or credit interstate is exclusively with Parliament. That's the first submission. Assuming your lordship doesn't accept that, what is the second limb of argument? Please come to section 16. Now, chapter 5 is the chapter on input tax credit. very important chapter. My lord, you got 16.1. Every registered person, this on eligibility. Every registered person shall subject to such conditions and restrictions as may be prescribed. My lord may just note as may be prescribed. And in the manner specified in section 49, be entitled to take credit of input tax charged on any supply of goods or services or both to him, which are used or intended to be used in the course of furtherance of his business, and such amount shall be credited to the electronic credit ledger of this person. Now, my lord, these are the section 16. Now, please come to section 17. Apportionment of credit and block credit. So, section 16 says I can take credit, and under section 17, under what circumstances they will block the credit. For example, for tourist taxes, it is limited. For works contract, it is limited. Immovable property limited. I won't trouble your lordship. So, these are the two sections, 16 and 17. I said prescribed. Now, please come to 2 subsection 87. Prescribed.
Subsection?
2 subsection 87. 2 clause 87. So, my lord, under section 16, the credit can be restricted only as per the rules. Now, there are rules which are already there. How it is restricted, their formulas are prescribed. Nothing about such schemes. Now, if they want to restrict it for the purpose of the Assam scheme, rule must be made. And how is the rule made? Kindly see 2 clause 87.
Clause 87 of?
287 of CGST Act. 2 clause 87. Definition section.
Yes.
Prescribed means prescribed by rules made under this act on the recommendations of the council. Now that comes to 164.
We'll just take it.
Lordship has got 164.
Yes.
Power of the government to make rules. The government may, on the recommendations of the council, kindly note Lord Council, by notification, make rules for carrying out the provisions of this act. Without prejudice to generality, government may make rules for all or any matters which by this act are required to be made or prescribed made by the rules. Now, my lord, power to make rules shall be the power to give retrospective effect. Now, GST Council, kindly come to Article 279A. But the point I'm sorry.
Yes.
Please, Lordship got Article 279A. Goods and Services Tax Council. Then, my lord, this is the composition. Lordship knows, my lord, it's the finance minister. And each state has got a finance minister in the representation. 1/3 votes goes to center, 2/3 vote goes to the state. But we are now concerned with 279A4.
Yes.
And we are concerned with 279A4C. But I'll just read AB also. The Goods and Services Tax Council shall make recommendations to the union and the states on tax, cesses, surcharge levied by the union, the states, so on. Goods and services that may be subjected to or exempted from goods and service tax. C. Model goods service tax laws, principles of levy, apportionment of goods and service tax on supplies in the course of interstate trade and commerce. So the second limb, which I've as of November 2025, because you know, this scheme is in every state has got a similar scheme. We promote internationalization, backward area, etc. All states have got the scheme. You invest X rupees, you will get 1.5x. Some states will say you must invest so much plus employ 500 people, etc. Each scheme has got its own parameters. Till today, my lord, subject to correction, there is no rule regarding these schemes at all. unless the GST Council recommends, the rule cannot be there. And last 8 years, they have been giving me refund. Suddenly now they say whatever is sold out of Assam, the Assam tax portion will be disallowed.
Hmm.
So, my lord, I've asked for a prayer that 8 should be declared ultra virus. But there are other arguments on 74, etc., which the lordship wants, I can make submissions, or because if the lordship decides on these 2 points.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Kal.
Lordship, first of all, the Lordship has seen the so-called notices. Starts from page 66.
Page 70.
70 is the so-called for each year, Lordship.
Hmm.
From 70 it starts. Lordship may kindly look at the so-called issued on the what section? Page 66. Lordship, section, subsection under which SCN is being issued. 73, 74A, subrule, subsection 1, read with 74A5 and subsection small Roman 1. Now, Lordship may take up section 73 and 74. Lordship, it relates to
Input tax credit wrongly availed or
wrongly availed.
wrongly
Lordship,
availed
here,
or short paid, erroneously refunded, wrongly availed or utilized for
Lordship,
any-
my initial submission will be that, Lordship, here only so-called notice was issued. And time period was given to file reply. And they have again applied for extension. Lordship, they ought to have given the reply to the so-called notice, or if at all they agree by the issuance of that so-called notice. Lordship, section 107 is there to make an appeal before the appellate authority.
If the so-called notice, according to the petitioner, the so-called notice is suffering from a jurisdictional error.
Lordship, jurisdiction, it's there,
that-
Lordship, otherwise there is no, but when there is an adequate
That it
alternative
is based
remedy.
on clause 8
Yes, my clause 8 of the
scheme. And which according to the petitioner is beyond the scheme.
Anything
This
fraud
is
done under the scheme. Lordship,
Ultra-virus
that-
to 246A, 269 and all.
Yes, Lordship, any fraud done on under that scheme, Lordship, then there
What
will
is the
be no forum for.
Hmm?
Lordship, since that notice has been on the fraud, alleged fraud committed under the scheme, Lordship.
What amount you have asked
Lordship,
for?
it will come around, Lordship, total about 35-40 crores, Lordship.
It's a non-fraud case, 73. But the total demand for all
And
the years
Lordship,
is 21 crores.
He is buying from his own sister concern. Lordship, let them give a reply, let the proceeding may complete.
Right, Mr.
Thereafter, Lordship, may any
Right,
decision
Mr.
will be subject to outcome, Lordship.
I am sorry, full name.
Arvind Datar.
Oh, sorry. Arvind V. Datar, Learned Senior Counsel, estate by Learned Counsel for the petition.
Not only your lordship judgment in PepsiCo, where there is jurisdiction, lordship is pleased to admit the writ in a show cause notice stage and granted interim stay. I got that judgment reported.
Lordship, I'll be relying only one citation by the apex for commercial still.
Regarding what?
Lordship, when there is a
Alternative-
adequate alternative remedy under section 107.
Okay. Mr. B. Chaudhary. Learned Standing Council, Finance and Taxation Department for the respondent number 1, 2, 3.
Yes, my 1, 3.
Mr. Kyle, you are for?
Aye.
Okay. And 4, Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 4, and Mr. S.C. Kyle, learned Standing Council, CGST, for the respondent number 5. Full stop. The petitioner is a public limited company registered under the provisions of the Central Goods and Services Tax Act, having its principal place of business at Guwahati. Full stop. According to the petitioner, it is engaged in fast-moving consumer goods sector and carries on the business of trading, job work and distribution of edible oils, food products, allied consumer goods in the state of Assam. Para. In this writ petition, instituted under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, SL is made to a show cause notice dated 22/9/2025. Issued to the petitioner company by the respondent number. Which is
Respondent number 3.
Respondent number
R3.
3. Whereby the petitioner has been asked to show cause for availing input tax credit ITC in spite of being not eligible for the same as per the provisions of the Assam Industries within bracket tax reimbursement for eligible units bracket close scheme, 2017 within bracket the reimbursement scheme for short. Full stop. As per the show cause notice, which is issued under section 73 and section 74A1, read with section 74A5 within bracket small I of the State Goods and Services Tax Act 2017 within bracket SGST Act. Comma. It is a number of notices of the same date.
Sorry, 4 show cause notices.
Okay, so
for-
four
for-
show
for-
cause
for assessment
notices,
years.
all dated 22/9/2000.
And assessment years are 21, 22.
All dated 22nd September
Yes. And assessment year, for financial years 21, 22
for different financial years.
up to 24, 25.
Stating interrelated as per the provisions of Assam, the reimbursement scheme, read it. Clause 8 of the reimbursement scheme. The petitioner was not eligible for input tax credit. And despite that, it had appealed ITC for the reference period and the amounts of ITC availed by the petitioner are mentioned in the show cause notices. Post of Mr. Datar and Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that in this petition, the virus of clause 8 of the reimbursement scheme has been alleged, which reads as under para page 107, 8. Quote করে দিব। It is a submission that basing his submissions on Article 246A and Article 279A of the Constitution of India and Section 16 of the CGST Act, read which Rule 2 within bracket 87.
Section 2.
2 within bracket 87. Section 164, comma, such a provision as contained in clause 8 of the reimbursement scheme to deny input credit by the state respondents is beyond jurisdiction. The provisions of the Constitution of India and the CGST Act, wherein the petitioner has placed 3 lines. First up. On the other hand, Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the finance and taxation department, appearing for the respondent number so and so, has submitted that the challenge is made only to show cause notices and it is the petition is under obligation to respond to such show cause notices. Post up the challenge even after the decision is made after submission of the reply to show cause notices, the petitioner would have a remedy of appeal under Section 107 of the CGST or SGST Act. Post up. The matter would require further consideration. Issue notice returnable on so and so, as Mr. Chaudhary and Chakraborty and Tal. The prayer for interim relief, the learned counsel for the parties are also heard on the prayer for interim relief. Post up. Having gone through the provisions of Article so and so, and Section so and so, vis-a-vis clause 8 of the reimbursement scheme, comma, this court finds this court privacy finds force in the submission made on behalf of the petitioner. So it is therefore ordered, comma, in the interim that the that no coercive action pursuant to the impugned show cause notices, comma, dated 22/9/2025, comma, all dated, huh?
But Mayor, but the no order has been passed, Your Lordship may stay the notice because coercive action will normally come after they pass the order, it will take recovery.
Okay.
At this stage, there is no recovery.
The operation of the impugned show cause notices, comma, all dated so and so, within bracket annexed as what?
3.
Annexed as Annex 3 to the writ petition shall remain suspended till the return.
But may I request one thing? They can file their counter in the next 4 weeks. But then
we are
Lordship may
making it
post it in
returnable.
January for hearing, so I'll come again because this is a matter
We are fixing a date, 15/12.
for the counter and report. Yes. So I
The respondents shall ensure that the counter affidavit is filed before 15/12/2025.
then 1 week for rejoinder. 1 week for.
You'll find whether they are filing or not.
No, because
Find
the
out.
Lordship gives a date in January.
At least 2 days
Yes.
prior to 15/12/2025 with copy to the
So I was
learned
just
counsel
praying
for
for
the
an-
petitioner.
For early hearing in.
So if it is not 2 days, you have the option.
Deeply.
And rise for 5 minutes.
This is regarding victim compensation, my lord, PS 45, represent.
Ali. Her name was assaulted and subsequently. Yes, it can be disposed of.
My lord.
Heard Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. M. Bormon, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 4, and 5. Mr. R. Sharma. Go on. Learned counsel. Representing Ms. R. H. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, Assam State Legal Services Authority for the respondent number 5. Any findings? Full stop. In view of the grievance raised in this writ petition, the writ petition is taken up for final consideration and the motion stage itself as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties. The case projected by the petitioner is that her son, Mohar Ali, was assaulted in an incident on 13/11/2015. And in view of the injuries sustained, Mohar Ali died on 14/11/2015 while undergoing treatment at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Stop. In respect of the said incident of assault, a first information report was lodged before the officer in charge, Sanmari Police Station. And the FR was registered as Sanmari Police Station case number 736/2015 for the offense under section 302 Indian Penal Code, read with section 34 IPC. And the matter was investigated into stop. After investigation, a charge sheet was submitted against 3 accused persons. How many?
3, my lord.
3 accused persons. Stop. After the trial, the accused persons were acquitted of the charge by the Court of London Additional Session Judge number 1, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. Void a judgment and order dated 29/11/2024 on benefit of doubt. Full stop. As no recommendation was made by the Learned Trial Court, under section 357A within bracket 3 Code of Criminal Procedure, stroke section 396, Bharatiya Nagorik Suraksha Sanhita, for payment of compensation under, the petitioner submitted an application before the respondent number 4 on 20/01/2025, seeking compensation under the aforestated provisions, read with the Victim Compensation Scheme, 2012 as amended, framed thereunder. Stop. As the application has not been given consideration and finality, the petition by the respondent of the petitioner is before this court by the present writ petition. Stop. Okay. Ms. Borman, Learned Counsel, Junior Government Advocate appearing for the respondent of has submitted that from the materials on record, it gave noticed that the application submitted by the petitioner has already been registered as, where is that?
My lord.
Page?
Page 45, my lord.
Page 45.
Top.
Page 45. As PC case number 3/2025 by the respondent of 4. Full stop. If MS Borman has submitted that, if the application, PC case number so and so has not yet been considered and disposed of, this petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 4 to consider and dispose of the application, PC case number so and so submitted by the petitioner seeking victim compensation within a reasonable time period. Post of Mr. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has agreed to the submission made by the Learned Junior Government Advocate, did by Ms. Morvan and Junior Government Advocate. Post of in view of the above fact situation, this court is of the considered view that instead of keeping this writ petition pending, the same can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 4 to consider and dispose of the application submitted by the petitioner for compensation under the victim compensation scheme. PC case number so and so. Within a reasonable time period. If the same has not yet been disposed of till date. It is ordered accordingly. To stop. As Ms. Borman has submitted that this court accords the submission of Ms. Borman and Junior Government Advocate that a period of 6 weeks would be a reasonable time period for the respondent for to dispose of the application PC case number so and so. To stop. It is accordingly directed that the respondent number 4 shall dispose of the application PC case number so and so within a period of 6 weeks from the date of submission of a certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent of 4 by the petition. This order disposes of the requisition.
Supplementary list, item 50. Please, Your Lordship. First of all, Lordship, the interlocutory application.
Okay.
Lordship.
I will dispose of.
Lordship. Lordship,
Heard Mr. H. Talukdar. Learned counsel for the applicant. Read petitioner.
Lordship, here the petitioner's claim is very limited, Lordship. The fact
No,
is-
we have to first do it
Lordship,
as per procedure.
Lordship.
Miss N. Bordoloi. Learned standing counsel. For the opposite party, that's respondent number 1. M. Borman, Learned Junior Government Advocate. Assam for the opposite party, that's respondent number 2 and 3. Full stop. The applicant, as the writ petitioner has preferred the accompanying writ petition, WPC number 5688/2025, seeking inter alia direction to the opposite parties, that's respondents, to correct the land record in respect of a plot of land, described therein, and to mutate his name therein. Full stop. Per other instance, interlocutory application is preferred seeking implement of the following person. This Prasanta Kumar Das.
Lordship, Prasanta Kumar Das.
Okay, Prasanta Kumar Das, son of so and so, resident of Hazarika Suk so and so, ward number so and so, Tezpur pin number so and so, Sunitpur so and so, as party respondent number 4 in the accompanying writ petition, WPC number so and so, as the name of the proposed opposite party, proposed respondent, number 4, has been mutated in respect of the subject land. A description di dibo subject land for short kori dibo. Nahi tate na. Heri ase. Prayer portion ase petition na. In by virtue of an order passed in Ms. case number 176/2024, that's 2025. Right?
Lordship.
To stop. Having regard to the projection made above, this court is of the considered view that the presence of the aforementioned person as a party respondent is necessary for adjudication of the issues raised in the accompanying writ petition. Accordingly, the instant interlocutory application is allowed. Full stop. The learned counsel for the applicant writ petitioner shall file an amended cost title in terms of the notification dated so and so before the registry within 3 working days from today. On submission of filing of the amended cost title, the registry will shall carry out the necessary correction in the cost title of the accompanying petition as well as in the CIS. Post of, please the case. You will file
That's it.
within 3 days.
Within 2 days, Lordship.
Huh?
Tomorrow I will file.
Okay, place the case on. Nineteen.
Item 51.
Yeah, means I think eviction.
Eviction, Lordship. Today they have filed a reply.
Huh?
We have filed a reply, Lordship.
Small affidavit has been filed by the forest, my lord, and to that, my lord, we have countered, my lord. In fact, this case can also be, my lord, disposed of in the same line. My lordship was pleased to dispose of on 12th, that WPC, my lord.
Lordship, let this matter come out on Monday. Let the order be passed in presence of Mr. P.N. Goswami, Additional Advocate General, Lordship, since he is this matter on Monday, Your Lordship.
So instruct not to take any action
My lord.
till Monday.
Monday.
Instruct not to take any action in terms of the notice till Monday.
Monday. Monday, let any order be passed in presence of Mr. P.N. Goswami.
Okay. Friday is not available. Oh, today is Friday, Monday.
Monday.
My lord, my lord.
So instruct. I hope Mr. Goswami.
No, my lord, they are not disturbing us, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. R.R. Gogoi, learned counsel for the opponent number or standing counsel in Forest and Environment, Forest Department. For the response, state respondents, post of, as requested by Mr. Gogoi, learned standing counsel for both. Forest Department, leave the case on Monday. In the motion column.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
17. Item 52.
This pertains to land acquisition for the Guwahati Ring Road project. This petitioners, my lord, are having a land measuring 10 bigha and 8 bigha respectively. This
How many
land, my lord-
petitioners? Two.
My lord,
Two petitioners.
Two petitioners, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, the issue
Patta
is-
holder, 8 bighas.
We were issued patta and we have been paying since 70s as Mayati patta land, we have been paying revenue. The relevant Jamabandi and my lord, other records I have annexed. Now during acquisition, my lord, there was no issue at all. During acquisition, my lord, what had come up is that the revenue said that the land that we were issued patta upon is otherwise a non-cadastral village. And as far as non-cadastral villages are concerned, we were only paying Ziraat compensation and no price for the land, ignoring the fact that we were already issued the patta. my lord. That is our grievance, my lord.
So, we can observe that while assessing Ziraat compensation, in the interim, the respondent authorities.
Well, Ziraat has already been assessed. Only when this, because only when this notice under
Okay.
my lord, section 3 was
Shall make proper measurement and maintain record as regards the extent of land utilized for the ring road project. So that at a later point of time, we can assess the compensation if you are entitled. Right? Huh. So at least the measurement and record should be maintained.
It should be maintained, my lord.
Today, we cannot determine the compensation, but at a later point of time, the occasion will arise. Heard Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioners. Mr. R. Borpuzari, learned standing counsel. Revenue Department for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Miss M. Bormon, learned junior government advocate for the respondent number 4, 5, and 6. National Highway?
My lord, I had served a copy, my lord.
You have served a copy?
7 and 8.
You have served. To whom?
Served, my lord. In fact, the name is shown, my lord, otherwise SC.
No, there are many SCs. Or C. Borua, we don't know.
My lord. Talukdar was here probably.
Who? Okay. The petitioners have claimed that the petition number 1 is Mr. R.K. Taludar, standing counsel,
NHAI.
National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, for the respondent number 7 and 8. Post. The petition number 1 is a recorded patta holder of a parcel of land measuring 8 bighas, covered by KP patta number so and so, dag number so and so, presently marked as so and so synopsis, and the petition number 2 is a recorded patta holder in respect of a parcel of land measuring 10 bighas, covered by so and so, dag number so and so, at village Khankar, Mauja Panbari, Sondapur Circle, Revenue Circle, Kamrup Metro Guwahati, subject plots. For short. Full stop. Where the projected case of the petition is that a portion of the subject lands, portion each from the subject lands have been brought under the purview of an acquisition process for construction stroke alignment of the Guwahati Ring Road project. Full stop. When the petitioner inquired about assessment of land compensation, the petitioner has been informed that in the records, the subject lands are recorded as government lands instead of patta lands, as Khankar is a non-cadastral village, and therefore
Khankar NK, my lord.
Khankar NK is a
Khankar is a different
cadastral
village.
village. And as such, other than Zirat compensation, the petitioner would not be entitled to any other compensation. Full stop. The petitioner's case is that they are entitled to compensation. Being patta holders are entitled to compensation either. Which one? 2013 or 2000?
My lord, assessment under 2013. Assessments have been done under 2013.
Okay, under the provisions of National Highways Act 1956, stroke Reklar. Let us see. Full stop. The matter would require consideration as Mr. Borpujari Bormon Talukdar. No formal notice, extra copies 2 working days. Full stop. As in view of the projection made in the aforestated manner by the petitioner, this court is of the considered view that the matter regarding entitlement of the petitioner to receive compensation for the acquired land requires consideration after submission of filing of responses by the respondents. Full stop. However, this court likes to observe that the respondent authority shall make proper measurement and maintain records as regards the extent of land utilized for construction stroke alignment of the Guwahati Ring Road. So that the issue of entitlement of the petitioners to receive compensation amount can be adjudicated properly at the time of disposal of the petition.
Lordship, I am for 8 also, Lordship.
Huh?
Respondent number 8 also.
8 is also there.
My lord.
Yes.
It is the project implementing unit.
Seven and eight, or
Yes.
I have already said this. Extra copy is two working days.
Timing matter, item 7.
Item 7, timing.
Sorry, my lord, when the matter was called up, I was not there.
Mr.
I'm
B.
sorry, my lord, I was not there when the matter was called up, sorry.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Borua.
My lord, notice may go at this stage, my
My
lord.
lord, the
We
facts are
can
there.
take instruction.
My lord.
Section
at least one
129
time.
violates, my lord. Section 129 subsequently violates, my lord.
Okay, let him have an
My lord,
opportunity.
my lord.
If I give an extra copy, heard
Well-
Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. H. Borua, learned counsel representing Mr.
B. Chaudhary.
B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, finance and taxation department for all the respondents first of the petition. In this petition, the petitioner has assailed an order dated 30/10/2025 on the ground that the impugn order is in complete violation of the provisions of Section 129(3) of the Assam Goods and Services Tax Act 2007. That is the only ground?
Other grounds are there, my lord. It's a vital ground.
No, if that, whether it is a strong ground or not, I am not examining.
It's strong. ground.
Otherwise, I am issuing notice.
My lord, I have lots of fixed my instructions because I have to, my goods are written with them, my lord, perishable goods, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Borua, council has sought 1 week's time to obtain instructions in a matter. First of, raise the case on article 22, no? 24/11. Mr. Mishra and council for the petition shall furnish a copy of the petition along with an extract to Mr. Borua during the course of the day to enable him to obtain the necessary instructions.
Till then, they should not confiscate my goods, my lord. Till then, they should not confiscate my goods, my lord, because they have the power to
Let us have our
confiscation.
instruction, my lord.
They have the power for confiscation under section
Uh,
130, my lord.
In view of the fact situation obtaining today, as presented in the petition, the respondent authorities shall not take further coercive action till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
Order no steps. Item 14.
In this matter, we were required to file the amended Costacle, my lord, but inadvertently it was not filed.
Yes, 1 minute.
We filed it, we filed the amended
Looks
Costacle yesterday, my
peculiar to
lord.
me, but earlier some building in Neti.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Let it be, there were many litigations, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let it be before some other means.
Yes.
So I have seen an order.
Yes, yes.
It was passed inadvertently, but that AT road,
Yes, my lord.
right?
Yes, my lord. The Lal Singh mentioned,
That,
that Lal Singh mentioned, my lord.
right, and
Yes.
judge, former judge of this court and MP High Court,
Yes, yes, my lord.
list the case before events, before any other events without me.
For impediment of party, item 15.
New income. Whom do you want?
My lord,
Whom do you want to implement?
implement Abhishek Jain.
Why is that?
Yes, my lord.
This is what contempt case.
Contempt.
Heard Mr. B. Rahman, learned counsel for the applicant petitioner. Contempt petitioner. Close to. The instant application is preferred. The applicant, as the petitioner has preferred the accompanying contempt petition, contempt case C number 228/2025. Alleging violation of the direction, non-compliance of the direction made in an order dated 6/12/2024. Passed in a writ petition WPC number 6487/2024. Post up. The instant application is preferred by the applicants seeking implement of so and so, Abhishek Joint District Commissioner so and so. As response number 2 in the accompanying contempt petition, contempt case number so and so. Full stop. It is averred that after filing of the contempt petition, the sole respondent, the respondent who was implicated in contempt case number so and so, has since been transferred from the office of the district commission, and in his place, the proposed respondent has joined in the meantime. Full stop. The order dated so and so has also been brought to the notice of the proposed party respondent on 11/9/2025.
Yes, ma'am.
Full stop. In view of the above statements, having considered the statements and averments made in the aforestated manner, the application seeking implement of the aforestated party respondent is allowed. Mr. Rahman and comes for the petitioner shall furnish, submit, shall file an amended cross title in terms of the notification dated so and so before the registry within 3 working days from today. On filing of such amended cross title, the registry will carry out the necessary correction, the cross title of accompanying contempt petition as well as in the CA, and thereafter is the contempt case. Thereafter, release the release the contempt petition, contempt case number, so immediately thereafter.
4 days.
Immediately thereafter. You file it within 2 days or 4 days? 4 days.
4
You
days.
need 4 days.
That
4 days.
one day.
4 days.
For admission,
No, 3 working days will do.
Yes.
item 16 for admission.
Lordship, in this matter, some new imputation has been filed. Because in this matter, they have filed this petition stating that notice was served to them, so we're gonna evict them. Now, since the petition number 6125, same petitioner has filed, your lordship. We have given them a notice.
2025.
25. So both this matter be taken up together. If I may place the order, your lordship.
Oh, Jamuna Modanga.
Yes. I mean. Well,
So you are filing any response in this?
We'll file, your lordship.
File within what time?
Matters, we'll file within
Because this is 2016.
16.
9 years.
9 years. But subsequently notice as of then this is
I've seen both the cases can be taken up together.
taken up
This
together,
is what-
Lordship. Taken up
So
together.
if you file a response in this case,
We'll file response to cover up both the cases.
heard Miss
P. Odigal.
P. Odhikari, learned counsel for the petitioners. Many petitioners.
Total 56.
And Mr. R. Gugoi, learned standing counsel Forest Department. For the respond number 225, Miss M. Borman. Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respond number 1 and 6. But here are only 6
There are only 6.
or 51. Okay, no. This secondary petition is filed by how many?
Their second experience filed by 52%, Sir Lordship.
Okay. Have submitted that. 52 of the 52 from this, from the set of petitioners in WPC number 7040/2016 have preferred another repetition WPC number 6192/2025. Wherein notices have already been issued on 6/11/2025. So Mr. Gogoi has submitted that the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent Forest Department authorities in WPC number 6192/2025 is going to be filed within 3 weeks' time. He has thus paid for listing of this petition along with WPC number 6192/2025 together as similar issues are involved and the counter affidavit would facilitate adjudication of both the petitions. Full stop. Ms. Odhikari, learned counsel for the petitioners, has also submitted in similar lines, as well as Ms. Borman has also submitted in similar lines. This case petition along with WPC number 6194/2025 on review after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Items 19 to 22.
Noor Ilahi.
Lordship at 2 p.m.
Hmm?
Lordship,
What is the matter about? Noor Ilahi. Some affidavits are required to be filed. Huh? What is the matter about?
Is there Rayati Khatyans, my lord, earlier Dhubri district? That land was converted to Sarkari long back because of non-payment of revenue in all the cases.
Otherwise ready for disposal.
Can be disposed of, they'll approach the deputy commissioner.
So we put it in a hearing till then, if it is,
My
it can be disposed of. Okay. Did you? Okay, this can be disposed of. Okay, then. Next Wednesday. Madam, ask if it is, can be disposed of. Heard Miss
B. Shaha.
B. Shahal and calls for the petition.
Lordship, I am in item number 22. On behalf of Mr. J. Roy, actually.
Okay, B. Shahal and calls for the petition in 22. Where is the other petition? And Mr. B.J. Tolder and Senior Counsel is stated by Mr. P.K. Medhi, State Council.
Mr. Bhattacharya, revenue. What official response for you? The Land Council for the petitioners in 19, 20 and 21 is found absent today on call, full stop. As the Land Council for the parties, as Mr. Talvade has submitted that the required pleadings have been filed, list the cases on Wednesday.
Item 26.
No, I just, if your lordship is not inconvenient. Facts I know, but I couldn't go it very thoroughly the matter. Can it be taken up on Tuesday, my lord? If it is possible,
No, Tuesday.
whenever,
Many matters have been fixed.
or Thursday,
For this
Thursday, my. Coming
Thursday and Tuesday as well. Tomorrow.
Thursday. Whichever is convenient.
One,
So it has not been,
two, three.
whenever it's convenient.
Since we have some urgency, can it
Yes,
be on
yes, of
Tuesday?
course.
Let us try on Tuesday if possible, ma'am.
Fourth. Okay, we'll put it on Tuesday.
My lord.
Okay, we'll put it on Tuesday. What is the matter about?
My lord, that's why I'm saying it's a matter regarding about, we were the riotees. We are the riotees, then thereafter, there are series of litigation in this case. One, the coordinate bench has passed an order because one of the legal heirs of one of the landlord has approached the Honorable Court because of a order that has been issued by the government, whereby their names appeared earlier, their name was struck off, and the name of Hotra was included. Hotra, Pirala Hotra was included. Thereafter, my lord, this was put to challenge by the legal heir, one of the legal heir before the learned single judge. Now, learned single judge has dismissed their writ petition on the ground that already there is a judgment passed by Honorable the Assam Board of Revenue, whereby it was declared as a Hotra land in 2004-2005.
Okay, let it be on Thursday, then we'll.
Yes,
see.
yes.
If possible, we'll do.
Thursday.
Okay, under joint request of Mr. Dina, Das, Senior Counsel.
I am the disciple of this.
Huh?
I am the disciple of
No,
the.
Thursday, any issue?
I don't.
Next Thursday.
As
Next Thursday, we are fixing it on next Thursday.
about 21 days has been already last issue.
No, next Thursday.
From that day also may take time. Also.
We don't know about that.
21 days.
We are
after-
not Superman.
My lord, your lordship is right. I am asking, I don't say anything to the other side. If my learned friend is so adamant in saying to the court and to me, I'll ask myself that whether he has filed any application to be impleted and what is his right. Let me say what is his right. He is so adamant to the court and to me, let him say what application he has filed for implementing. Nobody can come to the court and say that I will be a person to be heard. He has not filed any application. Let him file application, then we'll object. He has not filed application. From somewhere he comes and says that.
All are state respondents.
Yes, what, Lucas?
Where is the right for you to audience?
Appeal my.
No. In this
They are
writ
made
petition.
up the same. court
In
of-
this writ petition.
Not made up party, only. party.
Not made a party, then you have no right to audience.
Ah, that's what I am saying.
We have-
Clear and simple.
We are the disciple of.
No, we will not hear you.
Precisely.
File interlocutory application for intervener or whatever party respondent. Otherwise, no right of audience to any other. Counsel.
Everybody does this.
Senior counsel, for the petitioners. Mr. A. Bhattacharya, standing counsel revenue. One. Bormon, M. Bormon, Dinagar Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 2, 3. List the case, under joint request, list the case on Thursday.
2011. Interim order.
Interim order.
My lord,
Past silence, shall continue.
But this way, my lord, is very heavy. The
Yes,
brief-
yes, yes.
Item number 27.
Sorry for troubling, my lord. I
We'll
too
make
may-
an attempt.
Yeah, Yes.
If possible, we'll do.
Yes.
Yes,
Respondent only file affidavit lordship. I may be allowed to file affidavit reply lordship.
Mr.
DG Gogoi.
Didi Gugul. Learned counsel for the petition has sought for how much time? How much time you need?
2 weeks lordship.
Sought for and is granted 2 weeks time. Learned counsel for a petition to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 7.
No, Your Lordship.
Huh? Who filed?
The circle officer, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 7.
Huh? Respondent number 7.
7, Your Lordship. I'm sorry.
7.
Even it-
7 or 4?
7, Your Lordship. Affidavit was filed on 19/6/2024.
4.
4. There is no 7.
No 7. 7.
Respondent number 4.
No, circle officer filed with it.
Full stop. Miss N. Bodule, revenue. For 1, M. Bormon. Union Government Book Assam for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4 are present. 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. This is the case after 2 weeks.
Pleasure.
Item 28.
Oh. Contract. E. Bora. T. Bora.
A bar.
A. Bora. Health and Family Welfare.
Yes, madam.
You are for Health and Family Welfare.
Yes. NHM, National Health Mission.
Okay, National
Correspondent.
Health Mission. Planning also. And Ms. Sam Bormal and Junior Government Advocate for the state respondents are present. None has appeared for the petitioner. Video and call. So, the land counsel for the respondents has submitted that. As the petition is preferred, seeking payment of contractual dues. It is subject matter of bench 4. The registry to look the same and raise the case thereafter before the appropriate bench.
Item 31.
Please, Your Lordship. As per the amendment in the Finance Act and with the newly inserted section 16(5)(b), the petitioner is entitled.
What happened? What happened to the Supreme Court? In the Supreme Court? This extension, right? 168A.
Your Lordship, there is newly inserted section 16(5).
Hmm?
16 subsection 5, Your Lordship. And as per date, the petitioner is entitled to get the ITC clear.
So you, had you approached? No, 16.5. No, CPST. Which provision, madam?
16(5), Your Lordship. Subsection.
Yes, what is your stand?
Lordship, we have not received instruction in this matter.
But her submission. Where is Mr. Cal?
Lordship, Mr. Kyal is not available at the moment.
Huh?
He's not available at the moment.
At the moment,
He's not in the court right now, Lordship.
not in the court. Yes, madam.
Your lordship, as per that, we are entitled to keep the claim, and so the interim order and show cause notice should be set aside, Your Lord.
Let Mr. Cal be there then. Miss
P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present on the request of Miss
R. Hussain, Your Lordship, on behalf of
R.
Mr.
Hussain.
Kyal.
Learned Counsel representing Mr. S. C. Kyle, Learned CGST, Central Excise. Is it CGST or Central Excise?
And
CGST. Please the case next Friday.
21, 7.
obliging.
Item 32.
Lordship, my senior could not appear due to some medical emergency.
Medical.
We have to left the court. So matter may be fixed for the next Friday. 21.
Miss
Yes, Ahmed.
S.
Ahmed.
Ahmed, Learned Counsel, representing Mr. M.J. Quadi. Learned Counsel for the petitions has made a prayer for adjournment on the ground that Mr. Quadi is in his post. Mr. S.K. Taludar, Learned Standing Counsel Cooperation Department. And Mr. J.M.A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the 10-22 are present and have submitted that they have no objection to the affair so made in view of the ground cited. Post of list as sought for and agreed to by the council for the parties, list the case on 26.
Well, okay.
Item 33.
May it please before your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the affidavit in opposition by some of the respondents, they have not filed yet, except for respondent number 6, your lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, it's a boundary wall dispute where the respondent number, private respondent number 6,
Absolute
they
owner.
have been sharing the common boundary with the petitioner, lordship.
Absolute owner. Who are the other respondents?
Lordship, respondent number 1, the state of Assam Urban Deputy Commissioner,
You represent whom?
I'm just responding with 7,
now 6.
now 6.
Who has been deleted?
The executive engineer, lordship,
Responded 3.
respondent number 3.
Where it is, okay. So Borbetta Municipal Board, whether they have appeared?
Service has been completed, lordship.
It is private respondent.
Private.
No, no.
Now we have filed our amended cost
Huh?
item.
It was, he was deleted. This one.
1 minute.
Yes, this one.
Kollavati Chaudhary. No.
Earlier I am 7, now 6. and I filed the affidavit.
Now, Borpeta Municipal Board has not appeared. I think dispute between two neighbors
Yes,
regarding boundary wall,
height of the boundary wall.
height of the boundary wall. Now, it is the Borpeta Municipal Board who is the concerned authority, who can be represented by the executive officer.
Basically, it's a civil dispute.
Where is the service? Service is done.
Lordship, in the office note, it has been served to the Civil Judge Junior Division, Borpeta, Lordship.
If despite service, nobody has appeared, how can we say that they should file affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
So the case is to be decided on the basis of materials on record.
Lordship.
Don't think circle officer, it is, if it is only height, it is only about height of the wall.
Quite a.
Then we will decide.
Lordship will file our rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent numbers, now respondent number 6, Lordship.
You file,
No, we'll file, Lordship, then.
huh?
We'll file.
You will file.
Yes, Lordship.
So we cannot go on asking this municipal board authorities
Lordship.
to file response when they have decided not to appear.
Lordship.
Okay, Miss
MS B. Chetri, Lordship.
B. Chetri. Petitioner. M. Borman. Junior Government Advocate, Assam, for the respondent number. Respondent number 1 is wrong again. State of Assam represented by Deputy Commissioner. Three and 4. Is there?
A Cabra. A Cabra.
A Cabra. For the respondent number 5. 6 are present. So Ms. Chetri has sought for and is granted. How much time?
Lordship, 4 weeks time.
4 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent person. This is the case of the 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 34.
My lord, in this case, my lord,
Yes. You file an affidavit.
I lodged the FIR before the police, my lord, stating that, he
Okay,
started.
heard Mr. M.A. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. M. Borman, learned junior government advocate Assam, for the respondent number 124. First, Ms. Borman has submitted that she has received the pair-wise comments to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents, and the counter affidavit will be filed within 3 weeks' time. She has thus paid for listing of the case after 3 weeks. The price allowed, list the case after 3 weeks.
Lordship may fix a date, madam.
Okay. List the case after. How do you file the affidavit? It can be decided on the date itself.
My lord, I'll place some judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court also, my lord, only
you
on the,
place?
only on the question whether, my lord, a rate court, my lord, can entertain a plea. My lord, on this issue, my lord, that if the police doesn't register FIR in cognizable cases, my lord, whether a rate court can, my lord, issue the read, my lord. Only on this point, my lord, I'll place some judgment of the Honorable.
I'll be enlightened.
Outline, my lord.
Item 35.
It is, your lordship.
Yes.
In this case, lordship, notice has been issued
Has entered.
30th April 2000.
Who are 1 to 3?
What, 3 is a performer respondent, lordship. 2 and 3 are Jorhat Development Authority. And no one is.
Jorhat
appearing.
Development Authority.
Lordship, I think the. Lordship, there are two options now. They are not coming. It's the third or fourth time. Lordship, either we can proceed without hearing them, or we can ask the government advocate to take instruction.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, may kindly.
Counter is already good criteria, meaningful payment.
It's a matter where Lordship. Lordship, may kindly come to
Impugn
page
letter
number
by the
62.
town planning officer. However, as well we have restricted a lawful use of a plot of land which was allotted by the direct competition.
So it's a pure interpretation of law, Lordship. There is no factual dispute.
Petitioner, he had gained absolute ownership of land of the.
Jorhat Development and then pressing.
You got the land under a beneficial scheme.
Lordship.
Looks like.
Not a beneficial.
No, definitely these are beneficial scheme.
It's a scheme, Lordship, where we have applied for a land and then lottery.
That development authority.
Yes.
Now you want to build an apartment complex.
Lordship. Lordship, whether they can restrict us from using it the way we want to, Lordship. That precisely is the question. Lordship, it's the full right interest was given to us. And there is, in the scheme, Lordship, there is nowhere it was mentioned that it cannot be used for other purposes. I'll take your Lordship to the scheme, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly come to page number 28. So under the scheme, we have bought a residential plot of land. And the whole right title interest was given to us by way of a sale deed. And in the scheme also, there is no mention that this land cannot be used.
So residential means what? An apartment building means what?
Residential and apartment building are one and the same, Lordship.
May not be.
Lordship, residential and commercial. There were two categories mentioned in the scheme. If your Lordship may come to page number 30, Lordship. There were two kinds of lands. One was residential land and one was commercial land. I take your page number 34, Lordship.
It was meant for, normally it is meant for individual housing.
But
It
no-
looks like individual housing privacy. But meant for only you, not for others from where you will generate profit. Development Authority Act condition.
Lordship, may I take your Lordship to page number 34, Lordship? General condition.
Ms. Borman, get instruction from this Chief Executive Officer, otherwise I'll direct him to be personally present. এখন নহয়, Development Authority Act. No, Metropolitan Center নহয়. Any Development Authority Act. GMD এখন নহয়. Municipal এখন আছে, Authority Act. They are statutory bodies.
Gotcha.
How can they remain absent? Otherwise, I'll issue bailable warrant. Otherwise, tell him, I'll issue bailable warrant. No, Development Authority. What is the name of the act under which this body has been constituted? Development also, municipal এখন তাৰ লগত কেতিয়াবা তাৰমানে এখন এখন থাকে। মিউনিচিপাল আৰু এখন আছে আসাম মিউনিচিপাল এইখন ন? Development Authority.
Assam Town and Country Planning Act 1959, Assam Municipal Act 1956.
And each. Yes, heard, Mr.
P. Borua.
P. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner. First up. The present writ petition is preferred. Assailing.
62.
How can you challenge this impugn order when it is not addressed to you?
It was not addressed to me, but there is a, Lordship, it's my plot of land. And
Maybe, but you cannot step into, he has been denied.
he has been
You
denied.
are not denied.
I am not denied. That is true, Lordship, but
Yes.
there is,
Had he been a petitioner, that authority.
but he cannot come, Lordship, the right is given to me. Right of the land is given to me, Lordship.
How can you challenge that?
Lordship,
He has been denied.
right interest of the.
All
title
these are
interest of the
doubt,
land is-
all these are in doubt. As a sale, an order dated 3/12/2024. Issued to one Messrs. Sea View Developers. Who has been implemented as performer respondent number 3 in this writ petition. First up by the impugn order, the respondent Jorhat Development Body Authority has denied the application of the said performer respondent submitted for construction of RCC within bracket Z+4 apartment building on a plot of land which was allotted to the petitioner under the Residential Land Development Scheme of JDA, full stop. Where as per office note dated 28/5/2025, the notices sent to the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 appeared to have been served. However, none has appeared. None of the said 3 respondents has appeared despite service of notice. The Jorhat Development Authority is an authority constituted under Section 8 of the Assam Town and Country Planning Act 1959. Full stop. The powers and functions of a development authority have been delineated in Section 8D of the Assam Town and Country Planning Act 1959. Stop. The powers and functions of a development authority interiorly includes Roman 1. Five to লিখে দিব 6 to লিখে দিব as despite service of notice none of the authorities from the respondent Jorhat Development Authority has appeared till date. Ms. Bormon Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam is requested to inform the authorities in the respondent JDA that in the event none appears on the next date of this listing, appropriate orders will be passed for securing their appearance. Full stop. Place the case on upper cheeks. You show the master plan. Copy. Show the master plan. It is that area is not meant for any multi-storied building. It is not.
I can assure you,
You show the master plan.
Definitely.
Then I'll get satisfied.
Definitely.
Items 37 and 38.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, can this matter may be taken up next week, lordship?
Yes, what is the instruction?
Receipt, but Lordship, I have one instruction, Lordship, that after passing of the 3G award, they have, the new construction has been made, Lordship.
They approached?
After passing of the award, Lordship, they have constructed the house, Lordship. I have the photographs also, Lordship. I'll file affidavit also.
File affidavit. Miss
Now they are claiming for compensation.
As does.
as does. Now you'll get the compensation. You will get the compensation. Okay, instead of they getting the compensation, you might have to pay the compensation. Right? For the petitioners, R.K. Talukdar,
For a sum of 5
Land
million.
Standing Council, NHID Seal, M. Borman, Land Junior Government Advocate Assam, Chi Bordolin, Ajorika, Revenue Standing are present, Mr. Talukdar, Standing Council. NHID Seal submitted that he has received the necessary instructions to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number
5 million.
5. Yes, that's what for and is granted. How much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 5. First of all. Okay, list the case after 2 weeks.
Obvious vote.
39.
Cases. Yes.
Lordship, as per the last order, Lordship,
In view of the order passed, opposite party so and so, you file amended cost title. What is the amended cost title? Who is respondent number?
Lordship, respondent number 4, Lordship.
4.
Lordship,
It is a trust.
Lordship.
So that we have to issue notice.
Lordship.
Heard Mr.
HR does.
HR Das Learned Council for the petitioner. And Miss
Lordship.
Learned Standing Council. And for the respondent, oh sorry, and CHAC is found absent today on call for stop. As the party respondent number 4 has been newly implemented, let notice be issued to the newly implemented respondent number 4. So the notice is made returnable. In 4 weeks, the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by speed post within 2 working days from today.
Obliged.
Place the case after 4 weeks.
Item 40.
Lordship.
Yes.
As per last order, GMC to allot us suitable vending zone.
Vending
Where-
zone.
Lordship.
This issue has not been settled.
No.
Order passed by the district administration, my lord. Imperial order is in page number 70.
Imperial order was apparently issued by the previous order. Commission has been to place instruction regarding aspect of obligation to imperial order.
Page number?
70.
What is the case about?
Regarding that extension course or portion of the Guwahati Medical College, the vending cannot be done in that from that extended portion from Mahagar to the Medical College Hostel Auditorium. That vending cannot be. It's passed under section 152(1) of the BNSS. So that whether it is justified or not, that to be made by the district administration. That portion is made.
What is the imperial order?
Page number 70, my lord.
Okay, 70. Any alternative place?
The alternate, no, they are,
Whether they are recorded vendors?
no, they are vending, they are not recorded. There is no vending zone there. And since there is a hospital there, in case all have been.
Okay, no vending zone. Otherwise, they are licensed vendor.
No,
Whether those issues have been settled or not.
There are vending zones, my lord, their proposals have been made 81%, what have been identified, but re-verification is going on. Because there are some objection from the society and all this person, so verification that.
And
has not been
vending,
settled.
no vending license
That-
till date.
That has not been settled, my lord.
Lordship, we are sitting actually opposite to that restricted zone. Kindly peruse page number 68 and 69. So as per order, so you are given this order by Superintendent Guwahati Medical College. And Guwahati Medical College roadside.
No, there is
area
a
gate approach
permission.
Sri Mantapur.
He said he has expressed his opinion.
Lordship.
But who is the authority?
Approach of Simantapur, that is not difficult, it's still running, my lord. approach road, Simantapur,
And,
that goes down, not to the, down, that is. that
It's a
is not
very
the-
narrow road.
No, there is portion, still like, I have
Okay.
seen that there, vending is going on, Malad. There are vendors, but that was not on. That is the case. Issue is that the main road from the Bhanga Bridge, extended portion of Bhanga Bridge to the GMC auditorium. That had been restricted, my lord. Because the ingress of the vehicles, the ambulances and all other essential services that get disturbed.
So we have to test the legality and validity
Of
of this
the
order.
order of the bus.
Lordship, they have actually restricted us from Bhangagar flyover to
Yes.
GMC's auditorium.
That portion.
That portion, but we are sitting exactly opposite to that.
We cannot say, we cannot examine your claim on that. You were sitting
Lordship,
there or
GMC
there.
may
My lord.
These are very vexed issues.
Listen to the OTPs over the phone.
That is a vital road also. No doubt. That road is of importance to all.
Mainly to the patients and all the hospital, the ambulances.
Okay, you file your response. This act has not been, so vending zones are not
Vending zone ke case of
identified, but ultimately it is not finalized as on date.
There are few vending zones, but 81 is again had been identified, but there had objection has come. So we are revisiting it again. After the finalization, this may get a
US for a,
throughout the Guwahati.
for a petitioner. J. Hendrik. Repeat queryable. Repeat queryable. So Mr. Bora,
I'm
when will you file your counter?
Basically, but this is the district administration.
You have to address on, right, but you have to address on these vending zones.
Vending zone.
So that if they are anywhere and have
Anywhere and where.
have
That's
some
why.
entitlement,
Yes.
they may be relocated.
Yes.
They cannot have the right
On the
to
footpath,
trade on
everywhere
that
and
particular
everything.
road. But if there is vending zone,
Then they
but-
will have to.
but
then
nobody
we can
wants
keep-
to go to the vending zone.
Yes, ma'am. Because they want to where the road is, where the
But
people
business is maximum on the street,
are. Yes.
right?
Business
Vending
comes
zone will be some interior place.
identified area that person.
Those
doesn't-
are interior places. You have to enter into the vending zone from
Vending-
the road. When the
Then-
road is available, everybody trades on the
Nobody
road
wants to go and
to
buy things.
maximize the business.
And the purchasers also doesn't want to go there. They want their car to be parked in the right on the roads and park it and leave. Yes. That
And
is
it
also-
is not denied that, you cannot deny that in many areas, you cannot walk on the footpath.
Yes. ma'am.
There is another pending matter actually.
No, we'll not mix up. We are only GMCH area.
Specifically that.
So I'd like to, so on
Uh,
page number 7.
Mr.
So,
Hendik and Mr. Bora are allowed further. It's time to file their respective counter affidavits post of the arrest. The instruction placed by Mr. Hendik. Instruction placed by Mr. Hendik from the office of the district magistrate. Dated 13/11/2015 is kept with the case record. You file your vending issues.
Lordship,
It has to
interim order-
be settled.
interim also. Interim order passed earlier, may kindly.
What interim order?
Interim order as per order 27/10/2025.
What interim order? There is no interim.
Suitable vending zone, Lordship. That's interim, 25/9/2025.
No, there is not interim.
That is
sir.
not interim. We just on the.
That
apply.
is not interim.
That is not interim.
Lordship.
Supplementary list, item 53.
Yes.
Head Lordship. Lordship, matter pertaining the land acquisition, Lordship. So Lordship, can you find the last order dated?
Nothing has been paid.
Yes, Lordship. Last dated Lordship 35/2025, Lordship, kindly find out.
Lordship, I have the instruction. I have the instruction.
Wherein 1 bigha 3 katha, 15 lesser.
Deputy Commissioner, have you read this? Show it to her.
Yes, sir.
So matter is not dead. Unlike submission made by Ms. Das, Mr. Das or Ajorika. The amount is deposited only in 2023. So his claim regarding interest is also survives.
Yes, Lordship. Section 24 subclause 2.
But your Lordship, we have already deposited.
Whatever, all are collectively responsible. If land is acquired long time back,
Yes.
then it is obligatory on the part of the respondents to disburse the compensation at the earliest. Otherwise, the same would entail interest.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. R.C. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner single,
Yes, Lordship.
one petition only.
One petitioner, Ganesh Deka, Lordship.
Ganesh, okay, petitioner. G. Hazarika, Standing Counsel Revenue. 1 and 2. M. Burman. Junior Government Advocate, Assam. For the respondent number 3. Miss R. M. Deka.
Deka, Lord, I am for.
Learned Standing Council Water Resources Department for the respondent number
4, 5.
4, 5, and 6. And Mr. Bhuya, M. Bhuya. Learned Council for the respondent number 7. Full stop.
7.
As per instruction, Miss Deka, Learned Standing Council Water Resources Department has submitted common instruction we received from the respondent number 6 that against the scheme, quote, construction of marginal embankment in both banks of Ghagra River from Pati Giri Chuba to Duni Pahari Ghat PWD roads. Unquote. An amount of rupees 2 crore 33 lakh 82,483 has been sanctioned by FOC dated 28/11/2023 and subsequently, the amount has been deposited to the District Commissioner Dorong, within bracket respondent number 3, on 29/11/2023 for payment. Full stop. In view of such instruction, placed by Ms. Deka, Learned, Ms. Borman, Learned Counsel for Junior Government Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 3, shall obtain instruction as regards the present status or regarding disbursement of the compensation amount to the beneficiaries, including the petitioner, whose lands have been acquired for the project.
List the case on. Yes, Ms. Barman. List the case on so and so. The instruction placed by Ms. Deka is kept with the case record.
28.
Lordship, with due respect, Lordship, another same item, item number 56, Lordship, is the order, my lord.
56.
Services completed, Lordship, and same instruction by.
Same instruction has received.
Same.
There are 3 persons, your lordship.
Hmm.
Instructions are same.
Same then, respondents are same.
Same, your lordship.
So services completed, Lordship. Order.
Respondent number 3.
Hearing, Lordship, the 4
Look at
petition.
it, 3. Why you have sent it by registered post to the deputy commissioner when Ms. Bormon is available? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Same, parties are same. Order same. Next date is same.
There consists of 4 petitioner, Lordship. Hearing consists 4 petitioner.
Petitioners. Petitioner, right? Petitioners could do.
The matter to be in the admission is just, Lordship, the order is.
This is the case on so and so
Yes.
same date.
Yes. Mass of this.
54.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, my lord, Sama Financial Corporation.
on return of document,
Yes, my lord.
connect with the mortgage, even after repayment of the loan. Borrower, the youngest brother of the petitioner. Never to pay his might more than about. Yes.
Yes, my lord. I have appeared for all the respondents,
Huh.
2, 4, and 5. I have already filed affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Affidavit in opposition.
Yes, my.
Yesterday filed.
Okay, it is not recorded, it is there, yes.
So what they said in the affidavit of opposition that, my lord, they are not going to release this document as because, my lord, some of the legal heirs has not yet, my lord, submitted NOC, my lord. How they will submit? Everybody is expired, my lord. For my younger brother who availed the loan, he expired in 2018. After his death, his wife got married with somebody else. Now she is leading her conjugal life with that person, my lord. So where my other brother is concerned, everybody expired, my lord. All 3 expired, my lord.
Make a statement.
Yes,
All these have expired.
Yes, I will file my reply to that.
Make a statement.
Yes, I have all the document, my lord. That
Death
certificate.
certificate enclosed.
Yes, yes, I will. That I will. One week time may be given, my lord. Only
Okay, 1
time
week.
is-
Or Mr. F.K. R. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. T. Mohan, T. Goswami, learned standing counsel, AFC.
Another thing, is, my lord, we, against the loan avail 2,80,000, I have already paid 31,55,500.
Oh, those are not part of this. You have repaid?
No, again, they are my asking for another 50,000, 53,000 as a, my lord, proceeding cost. I have already paid 2 lakhs. Now, but the India affidavit, they are saying pay 50,000. Okay, I will file affidavit.
For
my
all
lord.
the respondents, first of.
For respondent number
An
2.
affidavit in opposition for all 2 to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
You are Mr. H. M. as counsel representing Mr. R. Bobuzari, finance. পাৰিব লাগিব আপুনি নতুন নহয় আকৌ হা চৰ্টকাটৰ দিগদাৰী হৈ যায় ন আগতে চৰ্টকাটে মাৰি থৈ দিয়ে 1 and T. Goswami Lion Standing Counsel. AFC. For the respond number? 5. Full stop. An affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of the respond number 2 to 5. And the same is in record, full stop, the registry. To record the same in an index. Full stop. Mr. Ahmed has submitted that. He'll file a reply affidavit within a week's time and has thus sought for listing of the case after a week. Full stop. The praise loudly list the case on
611.
28. It may come up on 28. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Item 55.
Itika Koiri.
Yes, Mr. Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I need time to file my affidavit in reply. I have
oh,
taken.
you have filed. You have filed
Yes,
your
sir.
affidavit.
Affidavit of.
Caste certificate.
Cast.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner has sought further. How much time?
I had wanted 3 weeks, but my learned friend
It
has.
will be 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Any stay order operating?
Yes.
3 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply. Post of Ms. R. M. Das, Learned Standing Council, Social Justice and Empowerment Department. For response number 2, 3, 5 and 6.
Yes.
2, 3. So many, 2, 3. You represent State Scrutiny Committee also? Mr. Handick, okay. Yeah, Agor Clinical Hero, J. Handick. You represent one State Scrutiny Committee also? One.
1, 7 and 10.
1, 7,
7, 8,
9, 10.
9, 10, 10.
And Miss Tekka,
Lordship, I am representing respondent number
2, 3,
3, 4 also I am representing. Your
4,
Lordship. Yes,
5,
5. Other 11 of those.
5 Your Lordship. Yes.
5, 4, 5, and 6. 6 also?
6 I am not, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Welfare and scheduled caste backward government are
Who represents?
her.
Okay. Is it so? 6 to বাদ দি পেলাই ৰাখি লিখিব। But you, Mr. Henry, you accepted notice or no? Health also there. Health is also there.
Yes.
Yes. 13, 13 and 12 and 13.
DP Bora. Okay. But Ms. Dhaka, you accepted notice on for 6 also on the.
Okay. Actually, there is some confusion. I'll take your Lord.
Okay, if you are not authorized, I'll record Mr. Dhor's name.
Yes, that's better, Your Lord.
Okay. You furnish a copy to him then. Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, shall furnish a copy to Mr. R. Dhor, learned additional senior government advocate for service of notice upon the respond number 6 within 2 working days from today. The Alliance Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respond number 12 and 13 is found absent today on call. List the case after 3 weeks, the interim order passed earlier should continue 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 43 for orders.
Kondokar. What is the issue about?
Lordship, this is a matter regarding ex gratia payment for accidental drowning. Your Lordship.
Yes.
Money has been paid, Your Lordship.
Paid.
Please pay rules.
Yeah, both Mr. M.R. Kondokar, learned counsel for the petition, and Ms. Ann Bodole, learned counsel for respondent number 1, has submitted that ex gratia payment has been sanctioned and disbursed to the petitioner. In the meantime, post of Ms. Bodole has also placed an office letter, a copy of the office letter number so-and-so dated so-and-so of the district commission to Hooghly district in support of such fact. Post of Mr. Kondokar has submitted that since the petition has received the amount, this contempt petition is to be closed. In view of the above submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, the contempt petition is closed.
Yeah, sure.
44. Item number 44.
Amida Begum.
Not since-
Or Miss Bodolo, you are in 44 also. Name is reflected in the call list. Raised it to reflect the name of Miss Ann Bodoloi, revenue in the call list. It is shown. And now direction was there. So what is the case about?
Regarding my lord, that.
Talak nama.
Talak. Lordship, my lord, that.
Talak nama.
Earlier, my lord, that.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call.
Miss Ann Border, Revenue, Standing Council Revenue 1, 2. Who represents Deputy Register? Deputy Commissioner?
Lordship.
Okay, J. Hendik. Junior Government Book Assam for response number are present. In view of, okay. As per office note, dated 16/10/2025. No, as per order dated 16/10/2025 of the Lodgima Court. The petitioner has not shown any interest to take steps for service of notice upon the response number 5 on repeated occasion when the case was listed before the Lodgima Court on 23/6/2025, 5/9/2025, and 15/10/2025. Full stop. In view of such fact situation, let the case be listed again on so and so date. It is observed that in the event petitioner does not take any steps for service of notice upon the response number 5 in the meantime.
Even in Lordship, the Assam Muslim Marriage and Divorce Act to Rabalat earlier the act it was repealed and new act has been come. It was challenged before the one of the division bench.
The appropriate orders. Appropriate order is going to, this court is going to pass appropriate order.
It is 6/11,
What did you? December.
5th December, 5/12.
5/12.
For the honorable.
No, if he is not interested, because on repeated occasions, Lodgima Court has recorded his absence. So I have recorded. So if he is not interested, will dismiss for non-prosecution. Why will go into the merit?
Lordship.
45, item 45.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the day, my lord.
Pass over for the day.
Yes, my lord.
And then you will file rejoinder affidavit
Rejoinder.
to the affidavit filed by the respondent of so and so. List this matter affidavit file list. If you want to file. Rejoinder affidavit, granting 3 weeks time. Mr.
Number 2, my lord.
S. Ahmed on behalf of PK Roy.
S. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. A. Bor Kotoki, learned counsel for the respondent. Number two are present. First of, the petitioner is allowed further 3 weeks time to file the rejoinder affidavit in reference to the order dated 11/9/2024. Please the case after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 47,
Rishi Sharma.
My lordship, response number 6 has filed an affidavit in opposition, madam. I have to file an affidavit reply on it.
You are for a petitioner?
I am not for a petition, madam, on S.C. Sharma, my lord, on behalf of.
Okay.
I have to file affidavit.
1 minute. We will file on behalf of there is no appearance of the counsel for the opposite. Yes, okay. But he did not file the along with affidavit. Accordingly, to be sent to clear the delivery of filing the right. Okay, you are for response number 6.
My lord, yes.
Response number 6.
Yes, my lord, I am the response number 6 for Monindo Farali.
Huh?
For
Okay.
Monindo Farali.
And Mr. A.
Panikar.
Panikar.
I am responsible.
You want to file? reply, but I have to file reply.
But, but affidavit was filed long back. And now what happens, my lord, that's a submission.
You did not file Wakalatnama.
We have.
Thereafter you filed. When did you file Wakalatnama? 11/11/2025. Your affidavit
My lord,
filed in March
my lord.
was not acknowledged because no Wakalatnama was filed.
In time.
Right.
In time.
At that time.
Yes.
Now you have filed the Wakalatnama only on 11/11/2025.
Probably.
We are on 14th perhaps. Only 3 days back.
3 days back.
So your affidavit is acknowledged only from 11/11. So he has got only 3 days time.
No, no, affidavit.
If you did not file Wakalatnama,
My lord.
it would have been taken on record. That is the observation made by the court.
No, no, that may be, but.
So 3 weeks time is reasonable.
My lord, let him file within a week, my lord.
2 weeks now.
But after all, he has
Mr.
got
Ek
the.
Panikar, Learned Counsel,
After all, my lord, he has got
for the
the.
petitioner and
petition
Mr.
got-
R.C.
petition long
Soikia,
back.
Learned Senior Counsel, listed by Ms. M. Sharma, for the respondent number 6 are present. Mr. Khonikar has prayed for and is granted 2 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 6. Please the case. After
No, there's an
2 weeks, the
interim
interim
order.
order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Diplo.
Item 49.
Yes.
My lord, in this particular case, there
There is
is
file any in spite of stay of the
The
operation of
sta-
the man under section 148 when is the parties court under which already proceeded on the basis of such notice under section 148 and issued demand notice according to IAS file was kept. Yes.
Lordship, Mr. Kyal is not available, Your Lordship, and in this matter, we are awaiting instructions, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, Mr. Kyal is not available, and in this matter, Your Lordship, we are awaiting instructions, Your Lordship. So further time may be given to file a affidavit, Your Lord.
my lord, the time may.
Instruction is sufficient here in the IA. Right, the instruction is sufficient for the IA.
Yes.
In the main affidavit, you may file counter affidavit.
Yes, Your Lord.
They are saying that in spite of a stay order, you are proceeding.
Yes.
That is your
The
case. In the
assessment-
IA.
Yes, assessment was completed and after completion of the assessment, they are demanding the text.
KL is not available.
No, Your Lordship, a short date may be fixed in Your Lordship for hearing
Yes,
of the
then
IA.
that's what, yeah. For date. OP Bhatti, petitioner, Miss
P. Upadhyay, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel representing Mr. S. Kyle, Learned Study Council, Income Tax Department are present. First of, Mr. Upadhyay has submitted that Mr. Kyle is not present due to personal inconvenience today. So she has listing of the case on another date to place instruction in respect of the IA, interlocutory application. Also, let the case be listed again on date review.
Let it be next week, my lord.
After a week, did you? What other date did you?
26/11. 26/11.
Not 26, let it be. Yes, yes, except 26, any other.
Except 28. 28.
Earlier, my lord.
24.
Yeah.
With respect to item number 39, my lord, to miss the
39.
matter when the matter was called up, my lord, for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, my lord. My sincere apologies for that, my lord.
39. What was that?
Lordship, you should notice with respect to the newly imputed respondent number 4, Lordship, item.
Nothing has been recorded against you. Only I have issued notice. Recording his name.
My lord.
That is some private person.
Lordship, trust.
You want to record your name?
My
मेरे order to लिखा है किसी को Mr.
Lord, D. Thousand's name may be recorded. I am D. Kolita otherwise.
D. Kolita, Learned Counsel representing Mr. D. Thousand, Learned Standing Counsel.
For NC Hills Autonomous Council.
And C is Autonomous Council. Is present.
Give you, huh?
Obliged.
Thank you, Michael.